and say you're agoniering because the way we are.
Yo, that word they're mad. Agoniering. Agoniering to the flipping word.
Hi. Ragashanti, I did mix up daddy. Hallelujah. Ragashanti go on and on. Yes, Ragashanti. Do you know how Richie feelings this, right?
Start it over, start it. Yeah.
Ragashanti live.
Prezi, pass the tambourine.
Ragashanti live.
Pass the tambourine, Prezi.
Oh, time.
Me ready.
I need Mixup and Blenda time.
Ready up now. Pass the tambourine, Prezi.
Kingston. The reason I'm done with him because I see the boy out there to get a beer to see him.
Hey.
Hold on, the boy have you and the girl beard with the same red one?
Yes. Raga.
Yeah.
Beside the girl with the next side of story about the red Raga.
There we go.
Then people that look at me and say you're agoniering because the way we are.
Yo, that word they're mad. Agoniering. Agoniering to the flipping word.
Hi. Ragashanti, I did mix up daddy. Hallelujah.
Ragashanti go
on and on. Yes, Ragashanti. Do you know how Richie feelings this, right? And you know me have to listen to your program because you talk about focus back at things with the scandal side of it.
Ready up.
I need Mixup and Blenda time.
Ragashanti live.
Tambourine. Ready up. Start it again. What Stop it. Yeah, we are dedicated the neck that pull up your toe. I mean, nobody believes me I disrespect anybody, but big up Kevin Smith, partner, pull up here. Run it again, from the top here now. Start wrestling.
Ragashanti live. Oh, time.
Ready.
I need Mixup and Blenda time. I'm walking the car on top of the Kingston. The reason I'm done with him because I see the boy out there to get a beer to see him. Raga.
Hold on, the boy have you and the girl beard with the same red one?
Raga.
Watch your right.
Beside the girl with the next side of story about the red Raga.
Watch your right.
Then people that look at me and say you're agoniering because the way we are.
Yo, that word they're mad. Agoniering. Agoniering to the flipping
Ragashanti, I did mix up daddy. Hallelujah. Ragashanti go on and on.
He's that 3-piece. Watch your right and no juggling. Rich
Do you know how Richie
feeling.
feelings this, right? And you know me have to
There we
listen to
go.
your program
Energy
because
now.
you talk about focus back at things with the scandal side of it.
Energy. I wear the tambourine the right young. I wear the tambourine the yeah I know. Hey.
I need Mixup and Blenda time.
Hey, Miss Jerry, what's better? My mama teach me to play the tambourine. Hey. Hey, ready up, hey.
I need Mixup and Blenda time.
Come in at it. Mix up time. Laugh now. Hey, Lego. Yeah, big up on yourself, people. Big up on yourself. Once and respect to all IrieJam listeners right now and all Bridge 99 FM listeners. The whole of Jamaica listen to the show right now. The whole of New York City locking, because I don't know, say, on Friday, the show simulcast, Jamaica and New York. Some of those want to say big up to everybody out there right now, locking and thing. I don't know what the weather is like in Jamaica right now, but look, rain did fall today and thing. But when I come in here a while ago, the rain did stop fall. I don't know if it fall anywhere else. Prezi, where you did it today? Rain did fall where you did it today? And where you there, you never have to put on a Randy Tweet tune. You know the classic Randy Tweet tune, Prezi? Let me see if you know a tune. You know the classic Randy Tweet. When I say rain fall, you know the classic Randy Tweet tune? Yeah? Me attack sing a Randy Tweets, you know, dancehall sing a Randy Tweets, you know, me not attack the real Tweets, you know. Let me see if you know it. Sing it, let me hear. Sing the first. Them not here. Let me see. Let me hear. Oh, you gonna press the sing, let me see if you know the tune now. Let me see. On a young youth right now, let me see if you know the big. Oh, you go. Let's sing it first. Me will know if you know it. Sing it. Bomba, Prezi, you know what tune. Prezi, you know what tune. Hey, you don't think so Prezi an idiot selector around here. When you think Prezi a baby selector around here, Prezi a big selector, I know the tune them. The wickedest time when the rain start fall. The girl begin to ball. Who not send? What? Them a make phone call, yeah. A murder, man. Big up on yourself and the people. I'm name Ragashanti. I'm here the king of Mixup. This is a Mixup entertainment show without apology. Without apology. And we have people, Mr. Bobby Clark, to BC. Him say we can go till 12 o'clock tonight. You understand? So a 3-hour show tonight. Because usually people don't know, say, Ragashanti is your Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. Right? But, you know, upon Monday and Wednesday, you know, hear me upon IrieJam. But you hear me on the Bridge 99 FM in Jamaica, of course. But on Fridays, it's simulcast. So you hear me in New York City like you're hearing me right now. But usually it's 9 p.m. until 11. Well, it was 10 to 12 before the time change. So, at 9 to 11 now, up here in New York. And them say we can go for 3 hours right here now. So, well, I'm sitting in the classroom and thing. So, at 3 hours we are juggle for 2. Well, I'm the president, I'm sitting in the classroom because, yeah, man, I could see Maureen Slow there, Carlin, who named Naughty Stephen. Who that president, what kind of link there? Yo, people, nobody come in here, advertisement and all them something, them, man. Naughty Stephen, let go that out of the classroom. We say we now walk me that door there. Because no fan want to come before you know it, a be advertisement town, a be to people thing, and call up people thing, just because you know look out for yourself. Now you don't have no respect, you don't have no social media respect. Yo, so Mr. Naughty, where you want name, Naughty or Southie, or Easy or Westy, and thing. Nobody will not link an advertisement for the something and thing, right? I know that's something there. So I'm going to just come over here and want to selfish thing, I want to even kick back more while and just go and observe and see what can go on and what can go on. I want to just come in and I want to just run in with, block him. Well, and he probably don't know. Just delete him post. If him do it again, block him. No, don't delete, don't block him. President, don't block him. Just delete him post. Let me see what his name. Let me see the name. Naughty Stephen. You post sitting with some link. Not do that, Papa. Not do that. Here. I know that's something there. Here. I know that's something there. Because once I do it, the work, man, I years where I do this. Once somebody come put a one advertisement before you know everybody and them mama come over here, I think say I want marketplace to write it. Beat up a while when the people them I post them thing and I respond to them one another. Them have to filter through everybody I advertise. Somehow no social media. President, delete it. Delete it, man. But don't block him. I could see where I go on, you know? All right. Delete. But here we go on, people. We're there. And we're there till 12 o'clock. And before, Prezi, that's some of the lineup. You ready? People, I know it's a long time Ragashanti I do this and thing. I don't know, some of them they edit up a whole heap of show, put up backside and now. So we put up something. I have some bonus thing for going tonight, you know. Just a little snippet of back in the day when we had the outside broadcast and we just wanted to catch some of the vibes ever used to go on and sit the city, you see me? So we're going to play a thing right here now and thing and we couldn't just get a little piece of what go on from back in the day. But again, you know, people like them, something I put up over Ragashanti TV over YouTube and thing and just, you know, I know for them look a mix up entertainment vibes, just for to laugh and enjoy on themselves and all these things and whatever. And what I like about them something I do when I do my show and whatever. My show, one of them show that will capture indigenous Jamaica in its multiplicity of flavors, in all its nuances, right? Very often people talk about Jamaican culture. It's done in terms of, you know, the context like of a speech. It does in context of some sort of like a intellectual dispensation of some sort of historical structure and its influence and its ramifications of this and that and the causation of this and its residual impact on the institution. Yeah, very often I saw some of them things that when people are talking about the culture. But of course, as in any country, when you really want to expose yourself to the culture, it's about immersion. And when we say no phone on, you can't go to Jamaica, go immerse, but you don't have no Jamaican relatives, no Jamaican boyfriend, no Jamaican girlfriend. Somehow on a Jamaican, but you don't go home in a long while and all these things and so forth. So, you don't get that real something there, you know. So this is one of them show you will just give the real something. Because this is a lifestyle culture show, you know. But it's a culture and lifestyle show about Jamaica and the Caribbean and beyond. But the focus is definitely Jamaica. And the way me do my thing and whatever, me always a champion the indigenous, right? The local culture, you understand? The folk culture, the country people culture, the ghetto culture. How this me come from and how this my band come from. And how this me proud of. You understand what I say? And I saw my show them tend to manifest them dynamics there collectively. You understand? Yeah? And me I tell you, say, when you're there Jamaica do a show like this, you know, it just have a whole different flavor and a whole different character. No disrespect to up here and all these things. That's just one of them things there. It just bring out a different vibes. You see me? Some, you know, when you're in a radio, you go up on outside broadcast, them call it OB, abbreviation, and thing. So when me I edit up the show, them when you see me a post over Ragashanti TV, my TV channel, my YouTube channel over YouTube, I be a laughing me there, you know, when me I edit up back them show you what we used to do, you know. Yeah, that's that. So I just say, you know, say, I get some little snippets, so I take out of some show where I not use the whole show, but I don't want to waste the snippets them and things. So I say, you know, I'm going to share them with someone, I'm going to share them with you tonight. So this is just a vibe. Some of the outside broadcast, I think this was a digital thing. But you don't know when you're the outside broadcast, you interview the people them from whoever it is that hired you to do the broadcast. But then you get to interact with the people them live as opposed to when you're the radio and them calling. So, I just want to share some of the flavor there with you right there. President, run it and make it run for a nice volume and run it right here now. And hold on. Somehow who are a long time TamFam, you have to recognize some people. Jamaica, you call everybody, make them listen right now. Jamaica, you have to recognize some long time people who know about AC Wall and Fan Wall. Who are listening Ragashanti from AC Wall days and Fan Wall days and Mixup Yard days. Who know about that something? The Bobby T, where you there? Who know about that something there? Who know about them original thing there? Right? A long time we appear with those in this, you know. A long time. I come in like Deal from People's Choice Furniture. You understand what I say, President? Enough people say the deal up there so with People's Choice Furniture, and I know so when deal it start from a one stool. President, when them know where deal start from, no, deal tell them say you start from board house in a gutter water, yeah. What them know about that something, the plyboard with board house in a gutter water when rain fall and we are race. Legal light. Recon. Move us. Anyway, so what you ride right now? President, run it. Turn it up. Let me hear it. President, turn up your volume, no man.
Large up my sister Marvelin. Blessings and respect. Mummy, just
Press the volume low, you know.
Mummy, all right, Mummy, turn up now. No, let me hear, Mummy. Mummy.
Yes, sir.
What you parade?
Hold on, the Prezi, stop there. Them all cuss me. I tell you, them all cuss me.
I want to be careful what I'm saying.
Hold on, stop it and start it over, Prezi. Right? Turn up the volume, man. The volume can't go up no more. Eh? Technical thing, people. Prezi, I start it out. Technical. You want me to tell him I mix up? It start out now. All right, run it again, Prezi. I turn up the volume.
I got my sister in other place, but she don't like the look load up thing, so I not load her up, large her up indeed. Large up my sister Marvelin.
See them start already, Prezi.
But Mummy, I just attacked you. Mummy. All right, Mummy, turn up now. No, let me hear, Mummy. Mummy.
Yes, sir.
But you're the parade, you know, so you must be careful what you say here.
Yes, sir. I'm going to be careful what I'm saying.
Okay, Mummy, you want to tell us your name? Sister what? What I'm called?
Evangelist Thomas, sir.
Evangelist Thomas.
Yes, sir.
And which church you go, Evangelist Thomas?
3-5 Oakland Road, sir.
3-5. What? That's the address, Mummy. What the church name?
Bethel Born Again Church of Jesus Christ.
Is your tambourine that?
Yes, sir.
And is my tambourine?
Yes, sir.
Shake your tambourine, Mummy.
He picked me up. He turned me around. He planted my feet and I have gone. How can I let him down? How can I let him down? How can I let him down? He's so good to me.
All right.
God is good. God is good. God is good. How can I let him down?
Don't let him
How
down.
can I let him
All
down?
right, Mummy, rest.
He's so good
Rest,
to me.
rest. Hallelujah, rest. Yes, Mummy, rest. What you say?
Hello, Satalabahaya.
Yes. Yes, Mummy.
Yes, I want to speak to these people now.
Speak to the people, Mummy.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Everybody said, praise the Lord. Everybody said, thank you, Jesus.
Thank you, Jesus.
Don't God is good.
God is good.
What we should in here doing now?
What?
Lifting up the name of Jesus.
Okay.
Lifting up the name of Jesus.
Yes.
Because God said, if my people that are called by my name would humble yourself
True.
and pray and seek my face and turn from your wicked ways, then he will hear from heaven and forgive our sin and heal our land. God said, we have to look up. Redemption right now.
Then, Mummy, how old are you?
I am 75 years of age.
Don't, Mummy, I lie, I tell you. Lie, I tell you.
I born.
Lie, I tell you, you're not 75.
I born the 1st of January 1935.
1935.
1935.
So January, I come here, you're 76.
Yes, sir.
Praise God. And you go, where you say your church name?
Bethel Born Again Church of Jesus Christ.
And where you located?
3-5 Oakland Road.
Mummy, you have the anointed. Are you blessed with the Spirit?
Yes, sir. Look here, sir.
Yes.
I preach 47,000 feet above God's footstool.
Now, what you say a while ago?
Preach in the plane.
Okay.
And the last place I...
Mummy, don't tell me say you go for the people and plane go preach, you know.
The last place I preach coming back to Jamaica
Yes.
is West Virginia.
It's West Virginia.
Philadelphia.
But
Georgia. Canada.
Mummy, you're a traveler.
Oh, Lava Shata.
Okay.
Yeah,
All right. Okay, Mummy.
Holy Shakola.
So you're preaching at West Virginia,
Yes, sir.
Philadelphia.
Yes, sir.
Which other are you
Georgia.
Georgia.
New York.
Mummy, the one of the men with R.
Yes, sir.
Which other else you place you preach?
I preach Canada.
Canada.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Canada.
Yes, sir.
Philadelphia.
I preach on the windy country.
In the where?
Windy country.
Windy country.
That is Chicago.
Chicago.
New Jersey.
New Jersey. Mummy, you think global.
California.
So wait, Mummy, you preaching at plane?
Yes, sir.
You're preaching at the people and plane?
When I done preach, sir, the crew come and said to me, how far are you sitting down? I just lift my head and gave them the number. They said, I have done a great job on the plane. And I take back my seat.
Yes.
And I was on the long bus, they call them the train out here.
Yeah.
I was on one of them.
Well, you did a power long bus what we call train out here.
Out here, me see them there. No, not that one.
Not that one.
And I was preaching.
Yeah.
And I saw a lady looking at me.
Yes.
And she looked at me.
Yes.
She smiled.
Yes.
And I smiled back with her.
Yes.
I don't know which parish she acquainted with me from.
Yes.
Because I preach all over the island of Jamaica.
Yes.
God give me, God hold me with his right hand.
Yeah.
Isaiah 45. And he give me Isaiah 55 to give his children. Oh, everyone that thirsty,
Yes.
come into the water.
Yes, and I read
he,
it, seriously.
And he that has no money.
Because right now, Jamaica needs some God in them.
Yes,
don't
sir!
it? Some Billy goats of my crosses.
Yes!
Mommy, I tell you, preach, mommy.
Yes, sir!
Stamp them out.
Yes!
Stamp on the cross.
Yes, sir!
Stamp them out.
Stamp them out!
Stamp them out, mommy. Hallelujah. Mommy, thank you, because you give a little testimony today.
So better I don't finish. And
You
when I
what?
was on
You
the
not
bus,
finish?
when I was on the bus preaching, I saw a lady looking at me. And she look at me, she smiled. And I smiled back with her.
Smile.
I don't know if it's Paris she prayed with me from.
Yeah.
And I smiled back with her. And as I step out on the bus like that, yeah, to the pastor them. You see her? You see her? She preached on the plane. God said, help
You
me.
preach on the plane.
On the plane.
You're a plane preacher.
Yes, sir.
See them.
And everywhere I go, I let the world know that the blood of Jesus ransomed me. He paid the price and he set me free.
Hallelujah.
So all of you out here this evening.
When I want you to believe a joke thing, we know.
All of you out here this evening. God said I'm going to send a famine. Not for bread, not for water.
Mommy.
Hear must hear.
All right, thank
But
you so
hearing
much, here.
the word
Thank
of the
you.
Lord.
Thank you so
Take
much.
those
And what is
shots.
your name again?
Evangelist
Thomas.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and tell him your church again.
3 to 5. All who want to come there tomorrow Sunday.
Yeah.
Take the bus here, sir.
Okay.
And tell them to jump off of Walton Park Road.
Yes.
And Treason Avenue.
Yes.
And Oakland Road Corner.
Yes.
Right behind
Yes.
Sunbeam Baker Shop.
All right.
Our all-time prophet named Bishop L.M. Allison.
Yes.
The pastor of our time.
Evangelist Thomas. All right.
Yes, sir.
You have to come off now, you know.
Yes, sir.
Okay, hush, mommy. All right. We'll take off this half of your head now. Here.
I'm sorry.
All right. No, sorry. What you sorry for? I got you saying, you know. So big up your thing. Hey, you want to clap Evangelist Thomas? Clap her. I need to put this away. You go down here. Biggie, come over here, so look at me. Don't forget your tambourine in Evangelist.
Yeah, I want to remember,
Don't
Biggie.
you know Ragashanti keep it real? Don't you know Ragashanti keep it real? Don't you know Ragashanti keep it real? People, this is Biggie. When I listen to the show on the ear, Biggie talk, don't you? This is Biggie. Don't you know Ragashanti keep it real? Biggie, ya rub. Biggie, ya rub.
Rock, anybody ever
Biggie,
tell you
ya rub.
yesterday say?
Biggie, ya rub. Biggie, ya using bleaching cream.
Raga.
Biggie, ya using bleaching cream. You can't tell me say you're not rub.
Rock, yesterday I have up on the station and wait long. But tell you still we have me and wait long. Me have to start over look Robin because me I look Christmas face. Because when the pepper light I blink my face supposed to blink. Because when the light like my face turn off.
Biggie, where you going bleach? You don't need for bleach.
Rock, everybody I look Christmas face looking at the code. And pepper light one blink. People face blink. Rock.
So wait, you are bleach to get Christmas face?
Yeah, I walk but I don't want the body, I only want the face.
You just want the Christmas
Because
face?
my man a ragga light blink on and off. I want the body black and the face stay white so them to set the light and shine.
I'm going to die in here. Biggie, so I go to that place and I way out of downtown because I don't even know. I walk come down and come in.
Ragga,
Make you no money if you take bus come.
Ragga, me always tell him my brakes tube in my foot no rub out, Ragga.
You what?
My brakes tube in my foot no rub out,
Your
Ragga.
brakes tube in your foot no rub out.
No rub out, yeah, Ragga. Because anytime it rub out, me go tell it to come down a public, come look for me because that means they go in a car.
So Biggie, I over black something you borrow come up here.
Ragga! Ragga, I always tell him not for borrow. Ragga, you have half price, how much that, Ragga?
Biggie, that outfit then I sit down for you now.
Ragga, Ragga.
But when you shout, when you
Let me
shout,
talk.
when
Ragga,
you
you alone no for talk.
No, but when you shout,
Ragga, shut up.
Biggie,
Shut up,
and
Ragga,
somebody-
because you alone can't talk
somebody
about
big,
things.
and it look like you're underarm something cheap because
No, Ragga.
whitey something
Ragga,
like
it's
that. I bet you in a wave. I bet you in a wave.
Make you a wave, Ragga, can roll on my upper, Ragga. No red light, no dead. Listen what me I tell you.
Yes, ma'am.
Ask Jennifer, I'm going to ask you, I'm going to say me name, big, you hold for free things. Ragga, I'm not for crutch. So, you see,
Because that arcade people listen to the show, don't
listen,
I
ask
don't know, you don't.
Ragga.
Yeah.
Listen what me I tell you.
You mean Jennifer Goodaz over there?
Yeah, Ragga.
Pop down Jennifer Goodaz.
Ragga, my friend, no pop down. Ragga, my friend.
Pop
See,
down, Jennifer
Ragga,
Goodaz.
look for my friends for a big woman to stay
Yeah.
good any young
Biggie, where you lick me up? Where you
Come
back-
on, beat
wait-
your body.
Yeah, back-
Listen now.
You want
Raga,
Yes.
any young boy in the crowd to my friend right now, him take her like a magnet. Raga, she's a young boy magnet. When she out.
Jennifer good as a young boy magnet.
Yes, Raga, better be
That's why Conrad over there look her.
Raga, Conrad.
That's why Conrad pin a cover there look her.
Raga, me banner.
Conrad, where you run go?
Raga.
Conrad, I look Jennifer good as. Conrad, I look a cougar. Eh?
Raga should not take Conrad.
Why?
Raga should a young boy for man, a cougar man, them look like she's a big tiger and money she was.
What? Yo, what you say? Cougar mind the young one them.
Yes.
But big tiger make young boy mind them.
Right.
Okay, my neighbors. So there's a difference between cougar and big tiger.
Yeah, the tiger them want the young boy them. If I end with them for all walks of them for rob the bank, anything, Raga them have to find the money come.
Big the people them say after they mix up and blend and clash. Raga come mate of the year, wife of the year and thing. But
Raga,
I
tell you already, me's a bona fide mate.
Yeah, bona fide.
Raga, when the man say big here alone, there's a shadow always a trip say somebody did there.
So wait, you don't believe that any man can keep one woman?
Raga.
Or is it that
Raga.
Hold on. Is it that no man can keep one woman or no man can keep you alone as a woman?
Raga, no man can keep one woman. Raga, if you want to keep me alone, I feel business.
No, but no man can. Probably man them no want to keep you alone as a woman.
Raga.
Well, probably you're not good enough.
You know, sir, maybe you make the man them not go want to keep me alone. First thing, me have to come chat them business by your show. So that's the first thing the man never go say I don't want that girl. Because if me start it out tonight, tomorrow it depends on Raga.
Well, don't worry yourself, man. Biggie in the building and think people. Just so I'm going to Jerusalem right now.
Raga, nothing now going to do that. Raga, if they select a friend mash up Jerusalem, nothing else can keep.
What you mean mash up?
Raga, they say select a friend clap my thing and then nothing now keep because be excitement. Because the people must say them no want them selector, then I outer road selector for star. We think I Jerusalem and selector, Raga.
No, well, you can't say because you don't tell me, you know, inform me saying that.
Raga, yeah, but that's still a friend, Raga, because you are say a friend, because you walk and buy friend, Raga.
No,
Raga, me not buy friend,
no, understand
Raga,
yourself.
listen.
My girl, understand yourself. Me not buy friend. We not have to buy friend. You understand yourself. Dress up your language, you don't look a ranking self and thing.
Raga, listen to me.
Right. Because if I buy me, did I buy friend? Where you going over there so I can block the people in for? Well, if me buy friend, then me did buy you because a bull me to catch you with.
Raga, my life bulla work. What's up, Raga?
What?
Raga, my life bulla, especially Nutribula, because it's every Tuesday and Thursday. I wait for the truck to come and Tuesday and for back for Thursday. Raga, I get 10 meals.
No, but you know what I said them now. That girl has skin up her face when Charlie say, yo, see ya.
Raga, no my fault. Maybe she get the biggie allergy. She need to move.
No, man. I listen to Charlie see your thing, man. You know what I said them now make Bulla the way. You remember when Bulla used to make crunchy?
Raga, some of them still
Bulla them
Raga, listen Raga. When I got to school on a country, because some got St. Elizabeth, I get one at Arlington. I said, baby, them want to come. Them they met long time, but to a country them go.
Yeah.
I get the country one, that one day.
Yeah.
But they say to a town school, they get the fresh one. Raga, it depends on how far them travel.
Oh, saying, okay. Well, it look like me now travel too far then. You see. Then tell me something now. I want to wear for Christmas.
Raga, all kind of things.
Well, you probably don't know because your outfit packed down.
Raga, I'm outfit packed down, Raga. Raga, check my tag, it's not local, Raga. Check my Raga, check.
Let me see your tag.
Listen, Raga, check me not local, Raga.
Let me read it now. Where is it? Bend down market.
Raga, no. Prefer it to half price.
What?
Prefer it to half price.
But check your tag, it's not local.
Raga, prefer it to half price. Raga.
Check my tag, it's not local.
Raga.
My girl, why you talking to
me?
Stop beat me, stop beat me.
Raga, let me tell you,
Stop.
Listen.
Don't knock my body when you talk to me, man.
Raga.
What?
Yes, when nobody come from friend, first thing I say, beg you something. That means when the barrel ship them wrap up with something with that tape and say, Biggie, come on, Biggie pan it. Me no want like the selector boy will come and dance with the big gully god name pan him boot. Me no want that, Raga.
Why? So what?
Raga, him come with a big tape with gully god name mark pan him shoes.
Then why, if him say gully, nothing wrong with that?
No, Raga, the shoes never come for him. When you are sent someone from friend, Raga, I use 10 shoes, I you put Mr. Lab name pan that mean Mr. Lab.
Well on. Yeah, so the selector have on shoes with that tape with a gully god.
The gully god name the pan it, Raga.
Like when people label things when them are saying and I said this is for Patrick, this is for Junior, this is for Charmian.
Yes, Raga.
So I try to tell me say the selector did that wear the gully god. The sneakers come for the gully god and the selector get it. Raga,
that me tell him. Raga, shut up now. Sweet and joke, Raga.
Yeah.
Do you hear me?
To pay attention, Jennifer do that all the time.
Raga, hold on now. Raga, you don't hear me
when I go
tell
I couldn't want to run in and run my thing, you know. No sit down one there. When me I run it to the run it, I call you, call me. Talk, you talk.
Raga, when the boy start this, you know.
Yeah.
I go right which part him there, round the stair or whatever, turntable, anything in him. Because me said that this Raga, when I look there, I turn to him and I say, my youth, hold on there, but you talk about Raga, I say a Raga party, I say I'm going to go look girl. I say never go there, go look a girl. Can you come there with your backpack, it will stick you up. I don't know if it's an empty wallet shoe where you carry.
Yeah.
Listen, Raga, I mean the said shoes, the said pants, the said shirt, and the said hat. Raga, me I wonder how Vin tape never drop off, because that was a rainy season. Raga, I when tape catch water, it come off. Raga look like every time him get a tape, I mark, but the name on it.
All right, Biggie in the building. Biggie, Karen, take a picture of me foot there. Karen, how are you up to? Man, our kind of lives, you know, Karen, our linky, you know, she come in like you know, terrible just like her, you know. Terrible just like her, you know. Karen!
That's Karen Wildman.
Karen, come up on the stage. Karen, come up on the stage. All right, okay, we have 5 minutes left here. Put on the headphone there and thing. Biggie, stand up over here so look at me. Karen! Karen, you had the moment. Karen, put on the phone, man. I have the edge side here, man. What happened to you, man? Karen Wildman.
Hello, Jamaica.
What? Yo, them say the league come off, you know.
Yeah, I'm divorced.
Yeah, you're divorced. You can't bother with Dennis.
Ingrid Mongo.
So, oh, yeah, no, careful now. Careful now. Yeah, but in terms of the lyrics and the talk, them what she give. Yeah.
Oh,
right,
yeah,
Ingrid, yeah. All right. Can we be able to sell and sit this?
Yeah,
so, how you feel that woman take away your man right now?
Better than a man take my man.
Okay. So, Karen, we're going for the AC wall. We're going for the AC wall.
Why, Tantana Beach for Christmas?
Tantana bleach, too?
Yep.
Shall rub up to it with what?
Cake soap.
With cake soap. Okay. So, we not touch a cake soap thing there, though, because a drama got up, you know? A drama got up, yeah. Yeah.
Biggie make my day still. I like Biggie.
You like Biggie? Biggie a sample, you know, man.
Biggie, me I go post a picture of them on the wall, yeah?
Yeah, you take a picture of her foot.
One leap.
Yeah.
You know what's me rolling on the grass.
Yeah, me see you. Yo, Biggie, your foot gone international. Your foot global, you know, Biggie. I said, so Karen, you're not ready to over mix up your audience. I don't understand you.
Oh, my internet down, you know, I wait for the Chinaman around the store.
Yeah.
To pay about the bill for me.
To pay about, you and the Chinaman and that thing?
No, I'm like that. I don't know how.
But then...
You know how to pay my bill.
Him just have to pay your bill.
Yeah.
Just so.
Just so.
With nothing else, no?
Nothing back high.
Okay, just how pay your bills, okay? Yeah. The man, I just get up and pay your bills. So.
Yeah. Hey, I like you to calling yesterday, you know, the foreigner.
Yeah, I'm a foreigner, yeah, but in Afghanistan. You're like, which, oh no!
Rock
you from Portmore.
Man!
Man!
The one that killed my man!
Man! The man say, I grew up around the Yankee, man. Man. Yeah, I even take the show yesterday, man. I like. So we are big up for the AC wall right now.
Well, we have to big up Solid.
Yeah.
Take up, big up Ingrid, take up my man and Dennis Lee.
Yeah.
Jennifer.
Yeah. Jennifer good as well.
Nothing Raga.
Jennifer good as.
Yes, Raga.
I want to listen to the show and hear Jennifer good as all the while. Dog. See the crosses, yeah. See the crosses, yeah.
You're out to order, Raga.
She get up and go to people and funeral and she don't know them. You love stick out your tongue.
Yeah.
Yeah. Up on the race of mine where you say, So him put on the phone. Him bring back the phone and leave the phone.
Right to the driveway, Raga, and him don't even call me and say the phone dead. Him out to order, don't it?
No, but he's my friend, so I have to be careful, man.
Yeah, but not this thing, but me I tell you, him out to order, him disrespect.
Yeah, so how you come to lend somebody a phone, right?
Him come over here one night and fair.
And fair.
Him fun.
And him fair. And him fair. Where him fair? Tell me where him fair. Tell me where him fair. Tell me where him fair.
Him fun burn up. And him a borrow one of my fans for the weekend. So I chew me a 4. They say, all right.
A 4 fan you have?
Yes, Raga.
Oh, you don't have the AC, so...
No, I'm not under any AC.
We just
can't be AC bill at Portmore.
That's all right. That's me just ask.
Yeah.
Okay, me just ask.
Because light bill high.
Me never say nothing. Me just ask. So you have 4 fan and you lend him one of your fan them.
Yes, Raga.
A good fan you lend him an idiot fan.
Name brand Lasco fan.
Okay. All right. Name... So you let him your name brand Lasco fan, yeah. And then what, man?
So I let him for the weekend.
Yeah.
2 weeks past, you know.
Yeah.
I'm gonna get it.
I ain't get back your fan.
Me say, all right.
Yeah.
Me tell him, say, Smaddy a come on my yard for 4 days.
Yeah.
Some foreigner come.
Yeah.
So me go want the fan to put in one of the room them.
Yeah.
So bring the fan, come give me before you go foreign.
Quick.
And him go away and don't care about my fan, Raga.
Oh, God.
And me a call him and him not answer him phone, Raga.
Yeah.
So me get mother, send some ends a word, go give him fan.
And I saw you come on the radio, come load him up for your fan. And as soon as you load him up for your fan, you get your fan quick.
Fan.
What it look like when people load up people about things by Raga, sure.
Then get you.
They get him. Jennifer Goodas, you're good.
Every time.
Well, Jennifer Goodas, I just want to say big respect to you because you're one of them people, boy, people who don't even know a long time you support the thing. And you ever hold it through and nobody can say nothing bad about me on road or nothing bad about the show. Because you hand it to them right away. You see it. All right, blessings and respect. Look at Jennifer, what they do? They must spray a butter. They must spray. What you say, him smell? Sound and spray? Oh, God. Hey, I only Jamaica yesterday thing. Don't lick him. Don't lick him. Them say him not spray to him not smell too. Yeah, take time. Don't lick him. Yeah, take time. Jennifer Goodas, blessings and respect. Respect for the world too.
Love you every time.
All right, I want to break people who so forward.
Yo, those were people. You see, when the whole of the thing I play, people, President, I walk around now. Now, it's the President. Now, it's the President. Now, it's the President in that video. It's the President. It's the President. President engineer, so he might go fix back something, you know. People, you know, say the whole time President listed that President over there dead. That's why anytime me, I'll forget something that the Mixup President. Remember the you love a Mixup in the President. You know, people, the whole time that I play a while ago, President over there dead. Alone laughing, the general depart over there. You want President love a Mixup, you see. People, let me tell them, But you see, I'm telling them, right? So, I run Ragashanti TV over YouTube. So, just go over there and subscribe. So, this is from November 2009. Right? What I want to just hear is from November 2009. 12 years ago. And this was just an outside broadcast. And again, I am in the process of posting all those shows on Ragashanti TV on YouTube. And in doing so, I have to edit them, right? So you have to edit all the advertisement, the news, the this and that. Some of the local, some of them want to really consistent with Mixup Entertainment. So it's a rather tedious process, but it's one that I enjoy. And one of the reasons I enjoy it, for obvious reasons, is that I am hearing back all these things that are just absolutely hilarious and they make me laugh and all these things or whatever. And sometimes you ever just drop back and I look a penny upon the thing. You see, yeah, me know man, Junior Levy call it, you know. Junior Levy say, I bet you as this done, the one president going to want to take a break. Impossible on the wall, you know. Impossible on the wall. Junior Levy soon chop you, man. Watch out, see. Soon chop you. What on president? No. So when me I listen to them, tell me, you know, me I say, boy, I don't know, say I miss a Mixup Entertainment and whatever. That's my gift. And nobody now make me now manifest my gift. But again, move around when I'm boring up a thing or whatever. But sometimes you ever just keep back and say, boy, I don't know, Jamaican people, them just have an energy, man. And yeah, Jamaican people, they're up here in America, and they have some places where you really find that same energy there, you know. Because you have some Jamaican, you know, you ever see all them a cuss and a war and whatever, you that thing, get it right back in a Jamaican thing. Mm-hmm. But, you know, when you come to the radio thing too, and them something, that, it's like one, you see the lady, the Christian lady, she don't care, she just have a confidence. And I got she say, she just attack up and she preach on the plane and she preach all about and whatever. And it no matter what she say, it just have a vibe and an energy to it that it's just entertaining, it's engaging, it's captivating, and it's just enjoyable, right? Then you hear Biggie now. Biggie just have that classic Jamaican ghetto woman, something that with me proud of ghetto, you know, I'm proud of ghetto people and things. No people that hear a Biggie like that and have problem. She can't talk better. Me love it. It just bring a realism to the thing or whatever. And Biggie a born entertainer, you know. Biggie a take a she's vibes and sickness in. Jennifer Goodas kicking. Karen Wild, man. When remember them people, let me tell you, say, those were the days, you know, man. Them time we had turn over Jamaica and give them headache, you know. And people are like, the bossy people, they must say, we can't believe how them things are going on radio. And this and that, and them need to come off and all kind of something, and I would take the wire to them, you know. And it was a war, ups and down with them and thing, and we give thanks for they are now. And we can just look back on them thing and reminisce and thing and reflect and all a joy about them something there and thing. Yeah, but that's why I'm big up all of the original TamFam as them who know about that something there, you know. I'm big up all who they are juggling with me right now and thing and, you know, and love the flavor, see them way and thing and whatever. And we just want to big up Jamaica and Jamaicans and Jamaicanness and people them who authentic. And the people them who just be themselves and just don't give a damn and make the world adjust. And that me always say, be yourself and let the world adjust. When the world adjusts, some people not gonna like it. That's okay. Everybody can't like everybody. And some people will like you and understand you and think, and that's cool. Who for there. You understand? That's something there. Yeah, I love that juggling there. And enjoy the ride at the same time. Laugh, learn, and grow. When you listen back all them something, you can't help but laugh. You know, when the lady say, the woman look for me and she smile. And she smile. And when she all attack in her tongues and attack, I love it. I love them some of them. I love them vibes. All right. The boss, President say we have a whole break. We are here until 12 midnight tonight. Every Friday night at that go on. Woy, New York, big up yourself every Friday night. Yes, so we're up on IrieJam Radio 93.5. Locking the city. Of course, the Bridge 99 FM in Jamaica. Lock and seal. Monday, Wednesday, and Friday night, 9 o'clock. Ragashanti, a yummy day and a yai day. Muddy. We're going to break soon forward. Boom, bang.
No, not just radio, man, you know. IrieJam Radio, you know.
Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live.
Well, we just see some people from Canada just log in and think because I get used to the new time because I'm used to this start at 10 o'clock up here in America and thing in Canada and all these things. And not try if I get used to the 9 o'clock time. Well, Karen, Eli, and the Canadian people, well, you miss a little excitement with the store shot that will start with a bad chew about thing. But of course, you can listen it on Ragashanti TV, on YouTube, and thing when it posts up there and all these things, all right? People, big up on yourself, big up on yourself, big up on yourself. Okay, talking about that, I start post a topic. I post volume 1 for lesbian mix-ups. This, no. It's funny, you know, people. All right, I post volume 1 for lesbian mix-ups on Ragashanti TV, yeah? And when this topic was done in Jamaica, it caused a whole heap of problem. Because, again, me did on a station with them, I be a bossy people, they listen to that station there, and thing. At that time there, and them they take offense for say, lesbian I call the show. And it started up a big dirty war down there. The funny thing is, eventually, one of the group who end up did a fight against me a lot was some intellectual lesbians who just think, say, you know, them never like the facts, you know, with the way a woman call and when them hear get a woman tell them say it was demeaning and whatever, without knowing that by claiming their goal was to empower women to stop behaving like that. They too were invalidating those women's identity from where they were from. Them never realized that at that time. So in their so-called quest, when them a fight against me because me give women a platform for manifest their lowest qualities, what they deem the lowest qualities, most of what they deem the lowest qualities, they didn't understand it. Because them think them they so bright, there was a lot that them never understand. So they were invalidating the very qualities were important to them women they without even understanding what going on. And of course, most of them never live a ghetto, so them don't know that's something that was going on. And thing. So that group they end up a fight against me more and they all get serious with them. Some of them get beaten from both sides. I saw the thing set, but when they are turn up strong, you know. And we're going to open the phone line in a minute, but I have a mix-up phone. So, that woman, you know, here we go. She have a friend, but the friend live in our next state. All right? The friend did a talk to one man. And the man end up, it look like a man love cook for woman when time him a date them. And the man go cook for the woman and thing and whatever, this and that and ray. Anyway, it thing never work out between the friend and the man. Right? So she live in New York, you know, but the friend live in Connecticut and the man which that date and thing and whatever, them did whatever. But nothing never work out with the friend, you know. But when the man did cook for the friend did tell she about it and I talk about what the man cook and all these things. Anyway, about 2 years later, she go back up him in New York, yeah. And just by chance, him start talk. Now, the man never know say the friend them know one another, you know, because when him did a date the first one, where him never end up do nothing with, him don't even didn't know that one, yeah. I just them did know them one another, and she did just happen for tell her sister about a man when she a date. And then lo and behold, him go buck up that one here down there now and whatever. So, she, you know, call the one that Connecticut and I say, me right in the man the way you used to date to it. No, me buck him up and ray. I think at the place where them call, when I look at the French name place, we sell pastry. En bon pain. I saw it pronounce it you know. Me know say no, I want to say en bon pain. Me know enough I want to say en bon pain. Like when enough Jamaican pronounce wait name there I want to say Yves, what Jamaican say? Yves Saint Laurent. Right? When them I pronounce Live Saint Laurent, them say Yves Saint Laurent, right? So en bon pain, I take one of them en bon pain. I said AUBONPAIN. It's French, so I think the right pronoun. But of course, the French would say, "Oh bon pain," you know them do them thing. But anyway, I guess they must say buck up and sit now whatever. So she tell her sister, you know, say, "Yeah, him." And the sister, you know, say, "You like him?" And she said, "No. She said, "Talk to him, man. Come must say nothing never happened and thing. Probably him changing in 2 years or whatever and all these things or whatever." So she said, "Okay. I'm going to go and talk to him and all these things." So she and him start talking and whatever, and lo and behold, it look like bossy a film MO that, you know, for cook for woman when him a get them, which is not a bad idea. Women love men cook for them and whatever, you know. Come over for dinner. Anyway, so the man invite her over for dinner and thing and whatever. You know, that now work with me. If me cook for a woman, she not go there with me, you know. If me cook for a woman, she not go there with me, because through me, I don't know wonderful cook. Me only can cook better than Ecstasy, God rest her soul, and me can cook better than Karen Harris, Wallaya, you know, Bully Girl, right? Me can cook better than them people, me can cook better than Missy and thing, but ordinarily outside of that, me am a good cook, so you know, say, me can't use cooking for catch woman, that will be something else. But anyway, so the boss cook for her. And this is, again, I know one spectacular mix-up, you know, but I just want a little twist to it when I say, boy, oh boy. So, what happened? Oh, we are top of the hour. Oh, yeah, people, when we do Friday night, we have to watch top of the hour. When you say me have 5 minutes, I'm going to finish in 5 minutes. And then we'll come back, we'll take call. Here, President, after the top of the hour. So I'm going to finish this quick. Yeah, so you know, so when the man cooking food now, people may go show you, and ladies, you know, say, a raga say ladies, you know. When me look at my analytics over Ragashanti TV on YouTube, it's almost 69%. Why do I forget that number, the YouTube, why? But 69% of my listeners and viewers on Ragashanti TV over YouTube, they're women. So a woman do me thing, you understand? You know, but that one, you have to bear with me with that one, ladies. The man cooking food, the man cook 3 different meat for her. That means, Prezi, if a man a cook for a woman, and him cook 3 different meat, the man now go all out there, so. Prezi, you don't know, say, the woman says, boy, she don't think she can talk to the man. So when time, let me just tell you how it come to. So when time, them ask her, like, why? She say, him this, sir. Why, how him this, you? When him did cook for my friend. When him did I look my friend 2 years ago and him cook for her, him did cook rice and peas. And now him a cook for me, I be a white rice him cook for me. People wanna tell me now. People wanna tell me now. People they hear me say the man, people don't know, so people burn me out all the while, cause I always tell them some, me like stew peas with rice and peas. Anybody that listen Ragashanti over all these years, you know, say, I be a burn out me get for that, cause I say, even though I eat stew peas, I want rice and peas. People, you know, say, one of the dish where the man cook a stew peas. That means that by Jamaican standards, it justifies your white rice the man have with the stew peas. You understand what I say? And this woman here, because she watch what the man did do 2 years before, the other two meat them was oxtail and something else. Curry chicken never night. Because if curry chicken night, I would have what's a rice, I would have what's a white rice. Because this thing our Jamaicans are eat curry chicken with rice and peas. People, this is something we just are going about 15, it start about 15, 20. When we grew up, you'd have never hear them something there. No found no know that. When me I grew up, you'd have never hear Jamaicans eat curry chicken with rice and peas. I just white rice. Jamaicans never do that something there. And in the last 15 years or so, that became normal. You understand? So if him did that like a curry chicken, that what's a justify say a white rice, man. People, the woman say, she don't think she can chat to the man again. Because when him did a look at a friend 2 years before, even though him and the friend never do nothing, you know, a rice and peas him they cook for the friend. Ladies, my love you know, Raga love you know. You understand? Because I don't defend me, I'm defend you know. But boy, I have some woman, you know, once them do certain thing, you know, and it may look simple, you know. But as simple as it look, if you just look on that and say, can't bother with you, you know. People, somebody, the thinking behind something like that, you know, that is troubling. And it indicates a certain quality and a set of values that perhaps you don't want to deal. Back in my days, all in my 20s and whatever, you talk about one and move, you know, one and move, blaze and cut, because you don't want to tarry this. So. Yeah, a good boy now, so I'm not to, you know, read them thing there anymore. But when I say, he right you know, me allow their date, you know, I'm book up on a woman who I think them way there. You just take time slider from that. You know, I have nothing to do with that. You don't even want a drama and a war and nothing about it. You just see the sign and let go that. Because you're an idiot woman. Oh, she ever look on where the man cooked 2 years before when him did I look the friend in a different state. When nothing ever happened between him and the friend. And she ever say, she not think she can't talk to the man cause him this her. The man don't even know nothing about the friend or whatever, you know. The man cook, obviously the man romantic, the man a cook for her and thing. So the man, the man cook 3 different meat. And one of them a stew peas, people. People you know say, when Jamaicans say stew peas are white rice to them thing, is not like Raga. I am the exception. We eat rice and peas with stew peas and beat my body and butter me for that. You understand? But this little nastiness here, I burn out the man and I say, she don't think she can chat to the man because whatever. Watch what the friend get from 2 years, you know. But if she can be so petty and so minuscule, and I pay attention to such irrelevant minutia that she going to say, no. When you did that look, my friend, 2 years before, she did get rice and peas when you did that cook for her, and now I be a white rice, you want to come cook and give me? No, sir. I can't understand all a woman like say, a man a give her Sunday dinner and give her white rice at Jamaica. That not too make it, you know, some woman are really too play that something there in a white rice on Sunday. But people, something are right good I want a woman here. And a woman like them there, you just take time slider from them because those are the signs. Them are Satan concubine. You know what? Nothing to do with them, woman. We're going to break. We'll come back. 2 more hours to go. We're going until 12 midnight tonight. Somebody say, yo, a Ragashanti live on the Bridge 99 FM in Jamaica and IrieJam Radio here in the big bad New York City. Gonna take a break. We'll be right back. Stay tuned.
Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live.
Yeah, check. I open out the thing. And it's all about the 4 line right. You know, I want to remind you that the number is 876-676-4567. 4996. Also, remember, I said tomorrow night it's all about Free Up, the realest Jamaican talk show. Free Up with me, Ragashanti, on Ragashanti TV over YouTube tomorrow night, 8 o'clock. Tomorrow night, 8 o'clock. Tomorrow night, 8 o'clock. Free Up, the realest Jamaican talk show with me, Ragashanti, on Ragashanti TV. Tomorrow night on YouTube. Tomorrow night on YouTube. So we are open the phone line right now to call in and talk about what we want to talk about. Anything up from the first hour of the show or any other mix-up on the have to talk about and all these things. And sitting. Give me a call from Jamaica. The number is 876-676-4996. Again, 876-676-4996 from Jamaica. 876-676-4996. And you know something slow. President, all this time I thought that this is going to sound dumb, but I thought Long Island was a borough too, for New York City, Yeah, all this time I thought Long Island was just part of New York City. It's not. Long Island is not considered part of New York. I never know that. I thought, somebody said, no, Long Island is what? It's like a county by itself, right? That's how it go. Like, New York City has 5 boroughs, right? Bronx, Brooklyn, Queens, Staten Island, and the island of Manhattan, right? Oh, one other thing we learned is the only borough from New York City that is connected to mainland United States is the Bronx. Did you know that, President? Yeah, you never know that. Well, me have company. All right, then. Bronx, everything else, a bridge you have to reach, you go there in a President. A bridge you have to reach, you go Manhattan. Manhattan is an island, everybody know that anyway. A bridge you have to reach, you go Brooklyn. A bridge you have to go over, you go Queens. And a bridge you have to go over, you go Staten Island. Well, Staten Island, both there, it's an island. So, but Bronx is the only one. So, President, you realize what I want? If if them people there, we don't even use the T word, but if them people there go say, I slap with the bridge them, dog, now what's up right now? President, a Bronx alone would that good, because Bronx can say, we're going upstate, we're going to Connecticut, we are circling all the way around to Pennsylvania, and we're going down south or whatever. The rest of we are boat, we have to go take feet in a President. I never really met, when him they were dead, the Black Panther youth they were dead, him do a movie with that. You didn't see that movie there? Something about the bridge them. Yeah, like him do a movie with that. What name what? 21 Bridge. So, really 21 Bridge connect? See it there. So a 21 Bridge really connect up Staten Island, Queens, Manhattan, and Brooklyn. A 21 Bridge connect them to the mainland USA, don't it? That's how it go. Backside, You see how we learn this something of them? So if anything for go down, and you see how them underrate up Bronx do, don't it? And I talk about what all of the borough them say Bronx are the punk borough, don't? Them love Anita Bronx, you see? Them love beat Bronx. Well, them beat Bronx and Brooklyn get the most beaten, don't it? Staten Island? No. Hold on, President. I know you live here longer than me. But with I have to be careful, I know. But with the people them who live at Staten Island, them tend to give them more. Them Italian. You know what I say? You know if you say Staten Island get more ratings than no? People President says Staten Island. Staten Island get the most this President. For real? I'm going to go with what you say, No, President, come here, look, because I learn, we're going to learn something here. No, hold on, I'm going to turn it, hold on there. What you say?
I'm going to ask you a question. You ever been to Staten Island?
No.
How long you there? You never got to Staten Island yet? You got Brooklyn, Bronx, and everywhere else.
No, hold up.
You ever got Staten Island yet?
No, because it's kind of remote. It don't mean to them pop down.
That's why.
No, what I'm saying, them just out to them own, but it don't mean to the place pop down.
There's nothing there. Nobody not go there.
What you mean nobody not go to Staten Island?
What you go to Staten Island for?
I don't know.
Exactly.
No, hold on. No, but I always get the impression that it's treated like a kind of upper middle class resident. It's not. No.
Yeah, but we don't like if you're from New York, it's
Like-
Staten Island last.
Last. So like if you say, yo, I could go to hip place them.
Yeah,
It's not Staten Island.
Nah,
You're not going to Staten Island for local excitement.
Uh-uh.
No, well, probably this is an age thing, because when I see where you come from now, as a youth in your younger years, you say, you basically as a Staten Island boring.
Yeah, pretty much. Yeah.
Well, I know there's something there with the boring, Me I talk about quality of life
That different then. That different.
Oh, well, you see, we had a disconnect.
Yeah,
My bad. We had a disconnect. No. Staten Island is not the hotbed of... You don't go clubbing in Staten Island, right?
No.
You don't, whatever, right? But me I talk about quality of life and with, like, them I say, like, them will beat Brooklyn about the projects and the crime and...
Yeah, Brooklyn
guns
and Bronx.
And that me mean. And some me mean, so Brooklyn and Bronx get the most beaten them way there. So I was correct then.
Yeah.
Okay, and then... Oh, God. Yeah, me get a save. Me save right there. So me and President on two different levels. We did it on two different. President talk about that young people something there, that excitement something there. And that is true. Staten Island is a residential community for the most part. People don't really go Staten Island for party and all these things and whatever. But in all my years here, from what I know, all right, me always there are enough, shall we say, white folks, some upper middle class settings and whatever. And the two borough them with them afraid of the most is Brooklyn and Bronx. Me right about that, Prezi? Me right about that? Say, white folks or whatever, them afraid of Brooklyn and Bronx. Yeah, that's what I mean. Right. But you see it, Bronx connected to the mainland and things. So Bronx has its advantage because, them people that get to the bridge, them dog me and my supper who they are so we there in Queens right now. Manhattan is an island too. Brooklyn, big Brooklyn and big Queens and thing. You have to deal with that bridge. But so is Long Island too, don't it? So is Long Island. It's an island. I mean, it's by itself. It's not part of New York City, but it's an island. All right, people, give me a call with anything you want to talk about. 876-676-4996 from Jamaica. 876-676-4996. 876-676-4996. The WhatsApp number is 876-551-5782. 876-551-5782. 876-551-5782. 876-551-5782. If you're calling from the United States or Canada, the toll-free number is 888-546-8742. 888-546-8742 from the United States. If you're calling from the U.S., New York City, anywhere in the U.S. or Canada, the number is 888-546-8742. 888-546-8742. 888-546-8742. 888-546-8742. While I wait for phone call, by way of clarification, people, when you go over to Ragashanti TV, again, remember, I am posting old shows from 12 years ago, and I'm also posting shows that I'm doing right now. This show I'm doing right now, it'll go over there. Somehow, me sooner, all right, I post a famous Mixup interview with Beanie Man and the Angel when them did they married, and them did left and got they back. And them did roll out as the Davises and whatever. And I see somebody post something on that and basically relate to it in the present tense. And people may want to just make the distinction. Because the person said, I'm glad Beanie Man and the Angel they back. I'm glad on they back together and people, why can't I say Ragashanti as the Beanie Man and the Angel they back? And think. That is an interview from 12 years ago. Right? So, anything you see here, Ragashanti Live Classics, it means that all. If you say Ragashanti Live, present. If you say Free Up, present, right? But when you say Ragashanti Live Classics, it's a all show. Don't get it twisted. Good night, caller. Hello.
Yes, Raga.
Greetings. Where are you going?
There, man. Bless up, bless up. I wanted to correct you about that Brooklyn something what you just said.
Oh, correct me, please, because I've been wrong several times. Yeah.
Well, here what? You see, Brooklyn has been something where we call gentrified. So it kind of increased the quality of life in Brooklyn right now because they're calling Brooklyn the new Manhattan. You get me?
Hold
you
on.
can't really put Brooklyn in that.
No.
You can't put Brooklyn in that category there, you know.
No.
You can't put Brooklyn in that category.
No, I don't think you're understanding what I say, you know. I think you think you make it sweeping and definitive. Right? One.
Well, you said them a be Brooklyn and Bronx.
No, hold on. In terms of what you're referring to as a gentrification, which is done at Fulton and Park Slope and then place there and whatever, and there's a part of Bronx that's going through it too, in terms of the Harlem part I go over and go up in other area there over there so and thing, as you well know. I know that. That being said though, even though me did I make that statement, remember say what that area that name over Ocean wait name over there so again. Ocean it name where them big massive mansion there where them Jewish people are living at. Eh? One place man like you go Jersey man.
Ocean Parkway.
Yeah, over there so
Ocean
right.
Parkway.
You have some ratted house over there, you don't never know Brooklyn here, you know. Right? And over there, so it's considered.
Well, there's something you probably don't know, Raga.
Well, I don't, and you're not listen to me, you know. You're not listen to me, you know. You're just a weird to make your point. You're just a weird. So what I'm saying is, both boroughs, they do have their areas that have wealthy people, safe and all them something. I wasn't saying that. I'm just saying, despite even what you were saying about the gentrification of the Fulton area, Brooklyn and Bronx still have a bad name right now. Even with those changes where them are called down the south. Them not call the whole of Brooklyn the new Manhattan, you know. I just down at that area that down at Fulton and Park. So them are me wrong or am I right?
You're kind of right and you're kind of wrong because we have more than them areas, you know. Because right now, Canarsie is another upscale area. Then you have Williamsburg where they call the New Soho. You get me? You see the Fulton and downtown Brooklyn area is what you're talking about. But right now, if you drive all around Brooklyn, they gentrifying everywhere. Not just Fulton and them areas.
All right, hold on. Even though them are, all right, so them are gentrify at several places, a thing like that. Are you telling me that due to the gentrification, you don't have people still stereotyping Brooklyn and Bronx?
Well, you're going to stereotype anywhere you go, you know. Because remember, ghettos
hold on, you never answer.
Really.
You never answered the question a while ago, you know.
Well, as a New Yorker, you know.
Mega ask you the question again. Given the gentrification that you say is occurring all over Brooklyn, right? And given how them a run out of Manhattan and come to Brooklyn and a change up the area for suit them and all these things and do all kind of games and shenanigans with the real estate for suit themselves. Where them could have obviously do a long time when black people did it. But anyway, we're not getting at that. I am asking you pointedly, is it still the case that Brooklyn and Bronx, out of all of the borough them, people still see them as as the borough them we have more to fear? Yes or no?
Well, I think honestly, it's more Bronx than Brooklyn right now. That's just no.
No. But I'm just saying.
More Bronx than Brooklyn right now.
You know, but you know, so you just agree with me, though.
Well, I'm kind of agreeing with you. Brooklyn used to have that stigma there.
Yeah.
But Brooklyn don't really have that stigma anymore.
Okay.
Not as much. Because you see, as far as the project
Hold on. You see what you just said? Not as much. That I agree with.
Right.
That I agree.
I agree because, yeah. but I also agree that things can change.
No, I wasn't debating that. I don't have an issue with that. I was just saying what it is, you know, in relative to the other boroughs, right. Them, you know. So Brooklyn, I am in total agreement with you with that.
Used to have that.
Yeah. Of course
Brooklyn
it was. No. It was worse back in the 80s and 90s. You sound like you're old enough to know that too, you know. It was really bad back in the 80s and 90s too, you know. Them time when the Russian and the shower posse and all of them did I do them thing, you know. It did them days they did kinda crazy, you know.
That is very true.
And it's more, and you're right.
You see in Brooklyn now?
Yeah. Yeah?
The new thing they're doing is they're buying the projects and turning them into co-ops.
Well, unfortunately, it's not even new. They've been doing it for a good 10 years now, good 10, 15 years now. But that's how it go, you know. We'll see what I go on. But make a bounce and next call, me general, all right?
Appreciate you.
All right. Enough respect, man. Manners and blessings. Protection. Greetings. Good night. Hello. Yeah, what go on?
You look over now, you do.
You have me on hold on. You on speakerphone, earpiece or Bluetooth. Come on, fight, here.
Yeah, me take off the speaker.
Man, yeah, man. So what you say now?
All right.
Yeah.
Me the America from 1994.
Yeah.
I live at Queens. I live Brooklyn. I live at Bronx. I'm Brooklyn.
Talk up now. Something that distract you. Talk up now. You're on radio, you know. Talk up now.
Yeah, man. When I come to foreign and go to Brooklyn, I first place live at Brooklyn. Me don't feel like a foreign. Brooklyn come like a downtown Kingston.
Yeah.
It might change now, so I'm not going to back it.
Yeah.
But you see when me there Brooklyn,
there's
a place at Brooklyn they called Mill Basin.
Name what?
It's right on a kick Mill Basin.
Mill Basin.
Yeah, it's right down at King's Plaza.
Yeah.
You see down there, sir?
Yeah.
We used to just go down there to look for houses.
Yeah.
I saw that place stay down there.
Nice. The house them turn up. Yeah.
No, brethren, you go get more call from Brooklyn with it. We just go down there, just go look for, just go in at the neighborhood and just look for houses.
Yeah.
A place named Mill Basin.
Mill Basin.
Queens now.
Yeah.
Yes, Mill Basin.
Yeah.
Queens now. Me no like Queens because it have too much dash.
Too much what?
Dash.
The number them though. Like it has a 133 dash 20. Okay. Well, go on.
Yeah. Brooklyn we say between Flatbush and Newkirk Avenue. That's where I live.
Okay.
And you go there. That's before you have a Wolf and Navigator.
Yeah.
But Queens, the dash. One of the most
hold on. I'm not gonna share something with you though. Would you believe that once you understand that dash, you don't know say one of the best thing them do?
No, well when me assess them.
Hold on, you know where the dash for? You know where the dash for? You know where the dash for why Queens have them dash there? You know what it's for?
No.
Whatever the first numbers are before the dash.
Yeah.
That is the crossroad to where you go. On the road.
Yeah.
Say you go on one road named 148th Street, right? But the address is 135-40, 148th Street. When you look on that, you're like, well, on, the name of the road is a number, plus the number for the road of this dash. It's confusing. But what it's saying is, you're going on 148th Street, right? But if it says 135-20, it's saying after 135 road, Panda Block there at 20.
Yeah.
And it's 135-20. So once you understand that, you know, it make it easier for you to find some. So if you come remember, the road, them up here long like a wire, you know. So if you up on a long road, you know, say, if you're going to 135-20, 148th Street, you know, say, once you're up on 148th Street, drive until you reach 135 road, across it. Then you know it's a Panda Block there at the number where you go for, which is really 20, which is going to be 135-20. He used to confuse out my class too, you know. And then when I understand it, I say, but this is wonderful. This is a godsend. Hallelujah. Glory. You understand?
Well, me never say all of that, but you're right.
No. they don't think that important, because you never come Queens.
No, man.
Hold on. You never go Queens, go look, man. You never go Queens, go look, man.
Yeah, man, I make couple trick over there, but I tell you, it's like Brooklyn.
Well, so when you make couple trick,
Brooklyn with it.
No, because it look like probably reason why you have a thing against Queens. You know, it look like nothing ever run for you when you got Queens.
No.
No, the Queens woman them be stubborn. The Queens woman them never run nothing upon you, and that's why you have them up. The Queens woman them never run nothing upon you. How you always pass for? Yeah, the man, Raga.
I mean, I'm your hospital. You never.
I know. Well, Miss Lady, there.
Me nah whisper.
No.
Like
oh man, but you can't talk in a code. If you can, so when you go buy apple, she not know.
I'm alone in the crib.
Are you alone there? All right, run it.
Yeah, what out. You see Queens, though?
Yeah.
One thing me can tell you about, me rather live at Queens than Brooklyn.
Why you rather live at Queens than Brooklyn? Why?
Okay.
Eh?
Queens have more space with the houses. Them.
Yes.
Then the giant up, you have a bigger backyard.
Yes.
You can plant your thing.
Yes.
And me just feel like me get a breath of fresh air in a Queens.
Yeah.
Than Brooklyn.
Yeah.
That's what me look for it.
And Queens have more bush and thing over here and trees and all them something. That's true.
Yeah, Brooklyn come like a real concrete jungle per se.
Well, me could be careful before they call in and cuss because at the part them where we come from look so, you know. The part them where the other people them live over them part the nice of Brooklyn, you know. You know that too, don't it?
Alright.
Where the other people them live. Yeah. So you know, so you go around the thing a while ago, do.
Talk to me.
I'm going to ask you straight, based on your experience of foreign, who you have the better experience with, Brooklyn woman or Queens woman?
Who had what?
Who you had the better experience with overall when you think when you're there foreign?
What kind of experience?
We're not going into detail. Any experience. But just I say, who you have the better experience them with? Who are the nicer woman them? Brooklyn woman or Queens woman them?
That's it. Queens woman kind of more sophisticated. Brooklyn, it come like a straight downtown Kingston, you see. And I say, me I put in skater and I get start me.
They go cuss out your class. They go cuss out your class.
The type of woman me like. Hold on, man. The type of woman me like. Me like a woman strong but not aggressive.
No, I mean, yes, I understand that something with it too. I understand that something with it.
Yeah.
No, I totally agree with
you. You see, Brooklyn woman, them, the Jamaican, them beg too much.
Them beg too much?
And start everything to them.
What they know? What you say about people me just want, it's a call, I say it. You don't come jump on my fender, or don't come up on my fender. What you say about Brooklyn woman, them?
The Jamaican Brooklyn woman them.
Yeah.
Beg too much.
Beg too much.
You see a Yankee girl at Brooklyn. You give her $50 and she thinks you're God.
A Brooklyn. If you give a Yankee girl $50, she say you're the man. You're the boss.
You're the best man. Yeah.
So if you get a Jamaican woman at Brooklyn $50 and what?
The first time a Jamaican girl at Brooklyn anyway talk is a rent you want to pay.
A rent you want? Well on that Tambourine. No, but well on. Then suppose the woman in Brooklyn and listen, you know, and say, see, that fool you take with her. So just to we look some like idiot $50 girl, you come say boy we beggy. What would your response be, you know? If a Brooklyn woman I listen right now and I say, see that you just show your hand because basically we are not look idiot $50 girl and that's why you call the radio and I'm done with. Respond to that, no answer that.
I work with a Trini guy and him come to me with you and say, yo, let me ask you a question. Why Jamaican woman beg so much?
Jesus God, that man. A Trini man says so.
Man is a Trini man.
Yeah.
So when he asks me,
yeah.
You think me tell him say I lie, I tell her whatever. I say, no, you're right. I don't know why.
No, but you don't think you need to be careful. Why you never defend the Jamaican woman them when them say that and say, no, you can't make them generalization. You never defend the Jamaican woman them.
No, let me tell you why I can't defend. No,
Why? Box, watch out. Prezi, he line full. I be a phone. The one that they going cuss out your class. You see. Anyway, go on, talk. Wait, no, before you answer, I'm gonna make it. I just want to throw in something else to protect myself. Yeah. Why you never defend the Jamaican woman them? Good, me say that. Go on, talk now.
I'll tell you why.
Yeah.
Let me tell you why.
Yeah.
Raga,
yeah.
You have to find a way.
Yeah.
There's something more and tell you.
Yeah.
And you have to find a way before me come over my phone to make me say it to you and the ear now. The you know go up on the ear. Cause you see this one here?
Yeah.
You want to know this here?
Yeah.
Me I code it up, you know.
Yeah,
you want to know this here?
Code
about pathway.
Yeah, code it up and tell.
Yeah, about pathway, you want to know about pathway. But me can't tell you. When me tell you, then you can say what me tell you. But me can't tell you on the ear.
Well, tell we in a code. Quick.
No.
Because we have only part of caller. Quick, no. No, man, you can't do that. You can't say that over the ear.
Make it a code.
Yeah.
Make it a code.
Yeah.
Make it a code.
Yeah.
It's a soldier in a part mark, in a pathway.
Soldier in a pathway?
Yeah, man. Pathway, man. The yard, man. The church thing, man. Pathway.
Oh, okay. The pastor. Yeah.
Yeah. It's a soldier in it.
Yeah.
Me make a talk to soldier. But more and give to you, more and release you, more and tell you what soldier say. And then you deal with it.
Well, on, is a different thing you know?
Yeah, but I tell you, I'll come back to the Jamaican, but I say more and tell you that before you go on, if you can put me on break, I'm me tell you on break or something.
All right, all right. Well, on. Yeah. All right, stay up on the line here. What? Prezi, we have to take break. All right, put the all right, Prezi say we have to take break. And look how the line them full up, man. All right, we have to, people, when you don't leave, me forward, because he mix up a grow right here now and thing. And me just want for the record, people, it's him said something them about Brooklyn, man. It's not me. It wasn't me. Oh, all right, we have a break. We're soon forward.
Newark, don't. You're listening to IrieJam.
Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live.
Yeah, man, welcome back up in our juggling. Welcome back up in our juggling. I think I emerge right here now and thing again. A little drama going about Queens, man, Brooklyn, man, whatever. I can't talk about the man them too. Big up DJ Chris Cross who roll through the place and Brown Bass and thing or whatever. You know what I'm saying? You can't pass a twin though. You can't pass a twin, you know. You and Brown Bass, you can't pass a twin, man. Well, we soon chat to them and think. All right, Prezi, give me a next caller. The Prezi says, send on the next caller. Hello.
Hello, good night, Raga.
Good night, darling. How you do?
I'm fine, thank you. I'm calling to ask for advice, right?
Talk to me, yeah.
I'm 46 years old, right?
Right.
And I met this guy, he's 38 years old.
Okay.
He live in Jamaica, but him come here and visit. But him mature.
Right.
But I haven't been in
Hold on. How old is he?
He's 38. I'm 46.
And you're 46. Go on.
But
okay.
I haven't been in. I haven't been in a relationship for 5.5 years.
5.5 years. Okay.
He mature, but the thing is scaring me is that his age difference.
What about the age difference is scaring you?
I never talked to somebody that is younger than me.
Okay. You say you're 46 and you're 38.
Being so long working.
Right.
Yeah, being so long not dating, it's like going out again to date somebody younger. It just scares me because I don't know.
All right. So is it the case that what is scaring you is the age difference, or you have seen something? Yeah. You have seen something in his disposition that that is of concern to you, that you may think have something to do with the age difference. Is that the case, or is just the age difference period?
it's just the age different period, not never dating somebody younger than me, but he act mature, we go out, we have fun, we have things, we like things in common.
Okay, no, tell me about that. Just tell me only as much as, you're comfortable telling me, okay? What is it, wait, how long have you known him?
About a month and a half now.
You just meet him, man?
Yeah.
And you're here in America, right?
I live in America.
You live in America. And if you don't mind me asking, where did you meet him? In America or in Jamaica?
I meet him here.
Okay. And does he live in Jamaica?
He's here. He came here to visit, but he live in Jamaica. He have a business in Jamaica.
He have a business in Jamaica and live in Jamaica. And him come here for visit.
Yeah, but him come here.
Okay, all right. What were the and again, just tell me as much as you can. What were the conditions under which you meet? Like, was it like at a party or at a business place or at a seminar?
No, I meet him. His family, his relative have a restaurant, so he was working in there, and I went in there and I meet him.
Okay, so I'm relative of a restaurant and him they just staying at the restaurant and you go in there and him kind of flirt with you and thing and I want to start talk or whatever and all them so. Right? That's it?
Yeah.
All right. And you're concerned about the age, right?
Yeah.
And so I just want to be clear. I think I know what you're asking me, but I just want to be clear because, from doing this for a while, there could be several different things you're asking me, but it's not clear. So just specifically, are you asking me what I think about you dating a man, shall we say, you're 38, no, I'm 38, yeah. Are you asking me what I think about you dating a man who is 8 years your junior? Is that what you're asking me?
Yeah, and I have a son that is 20.
Okay. Well, you see, that depends, I mean, you have already stated that you have never dated a man who is younger than you. So clearly you have some apprehensions there. I want you to know that women in general are conditioned, society has conditioned women consciously and unconsciously to not feel that they're doing the right thing when they date someone younger than them. And even if they date someone younger than them, according to what society teaches women, is that it must be like 2 or 3 or 4 years, but it must surpass 4 or 5. Just I explain to you. So perhaps you're experiencing some anxieties and apprehension with some of those things in terms of what people may think or what people are going to say. Or you may just be like, why may I date somebody 36 and I have a 20-year-old son? Again, according to what society says, generally they claim a woman is not supposed to date somebody who is close to their children's age. I'm just telling you what society is saying. So perhaps some of those things are at work in your concern. That being said, I just want you to know that there are a lot of women who are challenging those conventions. I've been challenging them. There are a lot of women out there who are, attacking those double standards where it's okay for a man in his 60s figure day with a 30-year-old woman and 20-year-old woman. But as soon as a woman in her 40s, they with a 30-something-year-old man, Jesus Christ, if you do better. And this and that, and them start pass all kind of judgment about you. There are a lot of women out there who are challenging those structures and things. So my suggestion to you, though, is it's just 1 month. So I would, don't even worry about them heavy something there yet. I would suggest to you. Just enjoy it.
No, I'm not.
I'm
not.
Yeah, I
just feel guilt. I just feel like it's not comfortable because I never do it before and date somebody younger. But I feel nice when I'm around him because he don't touch me up and act like he just make me enjoy. We enjoy when we go out and have fun and that's it. And he go home and I go home because I'm not rushing in nothing.
Right, and he obviously is not sex focused and objectifying you and trying to, just be preoccupied with trying to get you in bed or whatever. I mean, me a man, I'm going to suggest to you too. Again, I'm taking off my counselor hat now, okay? Me talk to you as a man.
Yeah.
All right? So me talk to you as your brother. You come to your brother and you talk to your brother now, all right? Me can't tell you this, you know.
Mm-hmm.
While I was never the type of man who grab woman and that it just wasn't my thing, you know? But from when me know about my brethren them and even me at certain point back in the day, whenever me did involve with a woman older than me always more careful with her because it's always in the back of my mind say, yo, she older than me and she more experienced than me, you know, so I can't go like me and idiot, you know, so I can't too rushy with the thing. It no mean say me never want the thing, and that never dep on my mind. It's just because she older than me, me say, yo, me know so me can't try it with she, because that I go turn off. That go be a turn off, but that me did want, you know, because me never want tarry. You mean a position where, yo, me don't want to take up no residence, so, you know, but me know say, yo, when you deal with a woman who older than you have to govern your thing and balance your thing and thing, because that you have to do forget you, not forget what you want. So me just keep it real and tell you that, say,
yeah, and then
that could be at play.
Barbershop, and sometimes I go to my uncle barbershop and I hear them younger guys and I talk about the bigger woman, them older than them. It not sound good. So it just like turned me off. But still, I like to go out and have fun with him, you know, because it's nice to be go out and have fun like a party or, you know.
Let me ask you something. Then. What about just enjoy the dating right now and you do what you want to do, you know. But even whatever you do, you know, say, you do it and it's your choice for do it. And it no mean say you jump off a cliff and go marry somebody and thing, but you just go and juggle and enjoy. What about that? What about that option there? And don't everybody think about you know the age thing yet. Just go and enjoy yourself. What about that option there?
That's a good advice.
Yeah, you know, 1 month I wouldn't start thinking too heavy only unless even in enjoying this person's good company right now, you still feel funny and weird, say, 8 years younger than me, you know, but...
Yeah, when sometimes me and him attack and me laugh or argue joke, me like, what did a little boy? And him just say, why you always say that, you know?
I would like to suggest to you, though, that since you're dating him and whatever, and even though you're joking, I would like to suggest to you that you not do that, though. You don't mean anything by it, you know.
I know.
You don't mean by anything by it, you know. Just imagine, imagine you were dating a man and, you were concerned about, something that him may observe about you, and him keep on a joke about it and thing, and, and you kind of insecure about it.
Yeah, I don't do it no more because I don't like it.
Right, but no, don't do it.
It just, some call Raga and get some advice.
Let me share something with you that you probably know already. Men, we are socialized to be alpha male, and we are celebrated when we have an appropriate amount of assertiveness, confidence, and aggression, and so forth like that, and we know to be in charge and thing and whatever. We are celebrated for that. But let me tell you something. Most men are set up in such a way where they know how to perform that, but they don't necessarily have it genuinely. And as such, a lot of men are way more insecure than they look here. So you ever notice it?
Yeah, but Raga, I want to when me reach 50 and him still 41. It just...
No, but what I'm saying, you see, look down the road. I would like to say, don't.
Yeah, but yeah. I don't wanna date somebody where it's just about dating now. Suppose I fall theme and then it now go work because me always like I have the age in my back. It's better me go date somebody that is older than me, that if it work up, me not force say, want to when me reach 50 and I'm still young and want to do things that young people do.
I don't know this gentleman. I don't know what he's like. I don't know anything about him. But there's so many variables here. There's so many possible layers here. Like you say, he could be very mature, and it could be a non-issue. You could get to know him even more, and then you're like, wow, he's really cool, and I don't even feel a age gap here between, you know, the way that we're relating to each other, and he could still display the qualities that you like in him. I would say to you, though, and be honest with you, just for you to think about when you're making your deliberations. Yeah. Women who date younger men and enjoy it, they are the ones who they're not usually thinking about the age difference like you are right now. You know, they're more on the side where I don't care, I like him. I don't care nobody want to say him make me happy and him so and so and him this and him make me laugh and he's ambitious and he's industrious and I learn from him, and you know, and they say all these things and they don't care. So I just want you to know, again, women who
I wish
date,
I would have that feeling.
yeah, I'm just telling you this.
Like that.
I'm just telling you this to just keep it real with you so that it can help you in making whatever decision you eventually make. Again, women who are usually in that position, they like the man for some of the qualities you mentioned, but they're not caught up with the age difference. They're more along the lines like, am I man this? I don't know if it's going to work out, but I enjoy him right now, and it's this. And you're not there right now.
Cookie so long and say the cookie so long, but can't just go keep up so like, no.
No, you can't. What you mean you can't just go geet up?
Still.
No, you listen now. You see the way you attack right, you know? You see, if this man is not confident and self-assured, even if you end up on when you decide, say, boy, you're going to run the juju upon him, you're going to have so much anxiety and all them something there. You could all walk me your leg and shut it back and say, I can't bother, no, I'm not give you. So you kind of, you know, no, you kind of, you know, look back and forth.
Raga, I just want to find somebody where we can have in a good, comfortable relationship. I mean, I have no doubt or guilt or feel ashamed or say, what my son I got think or, you know?
Hold on. You see, you get deeper with the concerns now, you know. Because you say it.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Are you worried about?
Call for the advice.
Is it important to you what your son would say if you're dating somebody 8 years your junior?
Yes, okay. My son, I grow my son alone.
Okay.
And my son never see me with somebody else. So if he's gonna see me with somebody, I want him to see me with somebody that is a road model, that he won't after mommy, him young or no say nothing, you know.
Well, again, you see, you're coming out with some silly, and again, when I'm talking to somebody in this channel, it's not about what I think or whatever. It's what's going on in your mind, and you're bringing up some points that are important for you that may make you not relax as much as you should in a relationship that is budding, and you may unconsciously even start sabotaging. You see, when you did a joke about him, about this young boy, them look at something there, you know, you may unconsciously, you know, sabotage the relationship because really you like him, but you don't want him.
You feel so?
No, I'm saying you can end up in another zone
is
there.
Problem, and then it's just funny because I'm my own house, and for bring a young guy in there to meet my son to say this is my boyfriend, I not feel that. I want to bring somebody who I know say, you know, no doubt, no, you know, him not gonna come and say, mommy, he look young or nothing.
A part of what is going on here, you know, I'm gonna tell the youth them all the while. If a man have all the money in the world, I give woman and she appreciate it. If him have the best sex, I give her and she appreciate it. If him have the cutest thing and she appreciate it. You see, if that woman don't respect that man there, you see, if she don't respect him for whatever reason, she don't respect him, she gonna have a hard time a day with him. And that really kind of...
my son.
No, hold on. No. What I'm hearing from you is that the age thing is kind of tied in with a respect thing. Because you want your son to respect whoever you there with. And can look upon him as like a, you know, almost like a father figure, somebody worthy of his mother's more, you know. So it's a respect thing. And you don't have nothing against him, you know. But you believe that there is something fundamentally touchy, you know, about how much respect you can give somebody 8 years your junior pan a level where say, yo, I'm a man that I'm proud of, you know, I'm there with him for life, you know. You have some concerns there, sir. Listen to me. I wouldn't worry about if you enjoy him and thing, and it sounds to me like you don't even want to reach a point where you run the thing pan him, because it look like you at this point we say, yo, any man may I run it pan right now, must be somebody who potential and can deal with it in the long run, don't it?
Right.
Right? Okay.
No guilt, nothing, you know, everybody happy, everybody comfortable.
Well, since you don't want to even just relax and have fun with him, probably this is not something you should be in then.
But I won't say if him invite me out or if me I go somewhere, I won't invite him. But you never know when you go out with somebody. I don't drink, him drink. You never know what can happen.
Meaning that you may just get weak to him and run it, don't it? Because you like it. He might
get weak and want me run it.
He may get weak and want you run it. So you don't see yourself at any point where I say, yeah, all right, me I gotta be presumptuous to tell you this, right? And this is not something when me know as a genius. A woman teach me when me I go tell you. And you must tell me if me wrong, right? Right? You ready?
Mm-hmm.
All right. And a woman teach me this.
Yeah.
When woman talk to a man, after talking to him for a while, woman them know if eventually him a go get it. I must him do something for she change her mind and don't give him. But once a woman a deal with a man for a little while, most woman know if at some point him a go get them kind of sense it. So me go run it upon him. You ever feel that with them with a youth here?
No, I've told the age always come up to me.
So you never, since you talk to him, you never feel, say, boy, you know, say, you know.
No, me not make my body control me control my body, but me just, the age, me say.
No, but it sound like you just like him company if you go out with them. You don't want to with him then, or anything, or even have sex with him.
I just like him company and then, go out with him
then
and make him
no, man, women do that all the time, you know. Women have them look. Me know a girlfriend who said, no, sometimes we like men and we turn them into a girlfriend. And I said, what you mean? And she said, no, we're like that. Women are like that. We meet guys and they want coochie. We know they want coochie. But our assessment of them is that they'll make a good friend. And then you have to just train them into the friend zone. So if that is what you want, that is what you want. But you're right. At some point, he might go move to you for the coochie. So you have to know if you go around him till him just know same now get it. And if him decide to stay, him stay. I'm cut. But just not put yourself in a position where he might go get confused one day and then try to hold you down and think before him go catch a plane. And all them sitting there, right? So you for just know yourself. But no, me I keep it real with you.
All
so,
right,
all right? But from when me I hear, you know, sound like you right this minute, it don't sound like you go cross that thing there. Because
no, I'm gonna feel like I want to just cut off the friendship. No.
Then do it. No, I mean, so what are we have 2 minutes before the break. What are you getting from his company right now that you would like to continue? What is it that you like about him right now?
When I go out with him, right?
Yeah.
Him just make me feel different. I don't really go out much.
Yeah.
But I try to because he's here and he never go out from him.
Okay. So is he your fun guy? He's a fun guy to go out with? Is that what you like?
Yeah, he's fun to go out with. He like the music like me.
Right. Now, when you're looking at a friend, you're looking at a nice friend then, man. The dissonance is that him want more. So when woman in that position there, sometimes them just know say them have to leg
dance together and him not touch me.
Listen to me.
Like, you know.
Him not touch you and whatever, but me I tell you say most man who dance to you, after a while him want dance right up in your good. Don't fool yourself about that.
So that's why I just not feel comfortable.
Well, all right. Me I tell him want wine, him want bogle dance and do every dance up right up in your good. Him just him just know say, yeah, she 8 years old, I mean, I'm one the front here, you know, but me have to take my look at time and build it, you know, and nurse her, right? Trust me know that's something there. But if you know say you and him not go do that, and at that time let it go. We
have to make it to let it go.
Yeah, because so you're not the fun person. Just have fun and cool. And, that is. All right, we have to go let go and hold a break here.
No.
All right.
All right then. Thank you so much.
Yeah, man. All right, people, we have to hold a break and thing. We're soon forward. You don't know us upon Fridays. We have top of the hour in New York and thing, 93.5 and things. So I'll be back in about 3-4 minutes. Hold tight.
Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live.
Yo, we there back and thing and whatever, and in the break with that, me and Cross there all a reasoning and Cross, you pick up what she said, right? She said she 46 and him a 38, and the age thing. You, Cross, you never understand something because you say, what a big deal.
Yeah, what a big
deal.
deal.
Talk about mother. Cross, listen to me. Your big brother talk to you right now. Cross, you have woman.
Yeah.
The man could have 1 year younger than him. She not there with him. You have some of them, if him 1 year younger, she will give him it if she like him and it's fair choice. She will run the judge upon him. But she not there with him. Hold on. You have woman, the man are months younger than her, all a week younger than her. And she, me can't deal with nobody younger than me, right? You have woman who there with man, and the man them tell them lie about them age, and them they love the man up to that point there, And then when them find out the man real age, no, it can't work. For some women, it's irrespective of the qualities of the man and his personality and whether or not she's compatible with him or the man is what? You're younger than me?
Sure.
Done.
Raga, wouldn't that be in a case with a woman with options then? Because sometimes a woman will have whole heap of options behave them way there.
No, but with her, well, no, you have a point there because if she did pop down and not stay good and a man
yeah, man, she
them not satisfied. No, she has options. Without it being said, she has option. But what I'm hearing from, if you notice, at one point I said to her, she said something and I said, yeah, but she said, I can't see myself I give up the nookie after 5 years and I not do it and whatever. So I said, you're concerned like if you 200 to go out and thing and it nice and thing and then you're going to get weak and run upon him. And you know what she said immediately in response to that? Mm-hmm. She make a statement to the effect like, she never say it that way, but this is what she essentially say, like, no, the issue is not if me are going to get weak and want to give it to him. The issue is if him are going to get weak and want it from me.
But
no, do you understand what I'm going to say?
Yes, get where she
so basically, she has said, me enjoy you, me enjoy him when him the right, you know. But I'm kind of concerned where him are going to eventually want, and what him may eventually want, me not really there, so I just want to enjoy him like
But stick up in. The man never indicate to her say he want more do it, right? Did he do that?
Indicate say he want more?
Say he want more from her in terms of intimacy. Like he want the relationship go to the next.
No, we never really talk about that part there. But she did say, she is one of them women who look down the road. You have some women them a date you, Hold on. No, man. No. Hold on. Listen now. Me I teach you something. Them have some woman.
Yeah.
Like older people, them teach you this. Like I'm mostly woman tell woman this, but man tell young boy too, But it's mostly a preoccupation of women. You see, because woman can get pregnant and have to carry picnic for 9 months and I be a stress and thing and them need the support. And then if them have the picnic, most of the woman them end up with the picnic. There's a thing where some people teach women say, listen to me. If you're going to sleep with a man, make sure he's a man where if so and so happen, you can't see yourself a day with a man. You follow what I say?
Yeah.
Well, you follow what I say?
Mm-hmm.
So some women, that is important. Even if they're having fun with a man. Yeah, and even if they say, well, I really think, it must still be a man who, well, me sleep with a man and something happen, I'm going to fall female, I'm going to get pregnant or something. Is this somebody who I can see myself I go the distance with? So some of that is working for her because at one point she said, what about when we reach 50 and I'm just 41? No, for some women nowadays that is nothing. But for her,
but I strongly believe, as we were saying, it's a her thing. Because what if the man don't even do this? Because men are capable of having just women who are in the friend zone.
No, chances are him. Why if him think the same thing?
Right.
Say him Because that me I try to tell her to, you know, say, be.
Yeah.
Because the man live in Jamaica, you know.
Well, if him
him just visit, you know.
Yo, one big woman, John, I don't want that big woman to start.
Yeah, so him, you know. You know,
Right,
so
why them could I not see him?
No, that's why I ask her. That's why I make sure ask her several questions for say, is there a possibility where you could just, your choice, if you like this guy, you know, if you just want to have fun with him, you have fun with him.
They have met in person before, though, right?
Yeah, man, and them go together and she enjoy him.
So she has see signs of him, kind of like.
No, woman can't sense this thing. She know. She sense it. She sense it. Say, where is this going? And at a couple points she say, him, me and one. You know, my mama tell us, she said, when me ask her, I say, if she, me I get weak to him, I want to run it. And she said, I can't run it. If him, I going to get weak to me, I want it. So, and she frame it in such a way where, like, when me press her further, she basically say, nah, me not really see that, you know. But I will say one thing, what I never said to her.
Yeah.
Based on how him juggle as a man, you know. Based on how him conduct himself around her. Because she don't like him already, you know.
Yeah.
But based on how him conduct himself around her, and if him give him tight, you understand what I'm saying?
Yeah.
If him know if he move certain way or whatever, she can come on and be like, no, man, I like that man, yeah, man.
Yeah, because...
You know, because when I just talk to him, you know, I never did like him like that, but no, man, him carry himself good and ray, and this and that. Worse if she all go just go hesitatingly, I'll go give him a one run and the bar, they'll go slap her leg upon her properly, and all these things.
But,
and
brother, I've seen situations before where women come into the same dynamics and I said they would never whatever. And it change. Things are subject to change.
But again, it's dependent on what the man do.
Right, exactly.
Right. So
exactly.
Him can govern him thing as a way.
Because me always tell people, you see that age something, yeah?
Yeah.
Like, when I was in college, me have a girlfriend where they there in a upper six.
Yeah.
While me there, I just started
college. That is not college, that is high school. Or when you did at college, she did not upper six at high school.
Right.
All right, because you can't fool me with that.
So there was an age difference.
Yeah.
But with the first time I met her, not only was she, like, you know, bigger in her body, but in terms of her intelligence, it we're above the average.
No,
kind
but
of
cross, I understand what you say, but that kind of different.
No, but may I say, if the man come over as a mature, because look here, what if she there with somebody fair age, but him very childish and petty and whatever.
Right.
Would she consider it a go? Just to stay or would that be a breaking point?
Right. That's why I said to her, that's why I did want to be very specific, because she said the age thing, but then the age thing, you know, when you peel away the layers, it have multiple possibilities of focus there.
Yeah.
But she gave me some indication where the focus is when she said, no, I'm worried about what my son thinks.
Yeah, but
again, you know, for a lot of women can like a man, you know.
Right.
And I like that man, yeah. So I like that man, yeah. I mean, what? But I don't want him around me picking them.
Understandable.
Right? You have that something there too, right? So you have all kind of possible layers to the thing and whatever.
I think I would have communication need to happen this, because you don't know if the picnic would have approved to that. To the picnic could have not said, well, mommy, if you're happy, me good enough. You understand?
Not yet.
It could be one of them situations.
All right. Anyway, DJ Chris Cross in the building, Brown Bass in the building. Bongsa call away there. Tell me, say you have the prison. Hello,
Ragashanti.
What, my friend?
Yeah, good night. Listen.
Yes.
The age.
Yes.
With that lady and the guy, now nothing to do there. And the respect.
Cross.
And
you know who this?
No.
Our brethren, man. You know, remember our brethren, man.
Somewhere.
When in talk, you're going to know who. Go and talk, man.
Listen.
Yes.
The age.
Yes.
So that one age.
Yes.
And the guy would attack him. No wrong with that. As long as him good the ambition.
Yes.
And the mindset did it.
Yes.
He will work with her. Him doubt himself. And with the picnic, as long as the man go there, go show the son respect first.
Yeah.
And show the woman respect, it will work. But it seems like the woman doubt himself.
That's why I'm coming to this argument.
What you mean? Hold on. You think the woman a doubt herself? Or the, what you mean?
The woman that doubt herself.
Explain that. Explain how she doubt. Explain how she doubt herself.
Yeah. Listen to me.
Yeah.
Listen what I'm saying to you.
Yeah.
Me talk about you.
Yeah.
Me David a woman with 16 years older than me.
Oh wow.
60 me tell you from my experience.
Yeah.
16-year-old. And he has some picnic in my age. And every me come here, I me show them respect. I me show them respect. Hold on, the grand come show me, the great grand come show me.
Yeah.
And me and the woman live telling that last year February.
Oh.
So you the man have a good day, go show the kids them respect and them respect. If they not sure, no. There's a totally different. But that lady in the doubt himself. That's why in the say no more man. In the doubt himself. Because you're nice.
Hold on. No. You talk for a while. Remember, saying you alone can't talk. You know, we're having a conversation, okay? So at some point you have to make me come in. Okay. All right. I think you made a little mistake. You know, she said she don't want no more man. She
no
never
more
said,
raga. No more.
No more man.
No. I know something say.
Well, no. Listen to me now. Listen. A while ago, she said she don't want no more man. She never said that.
No, I'm not. Don't say. Don't say to you.
What you did
say? Say in doubting self.
Yeah.
Why no want no man? That's what I said to you. Me never say no want no man. In doubt in self.
Yeah, because
when you doubt to self, you come with those type of arguments.
No, hold on. I'm trying to understand. All right, let me say what you said then. You said she doubt herself, but she don't want no more man.
Yes.
Right? Okay.
Right.
All
yes.
Right. So, and I'm trying to say to you that it's not a case where she don't want no more man.
Mm-hmm.
She's just a little bit uncertain about how far she can go with this man based on the age difference. You understand the difference?
Yeah, the age, as I tell you.
Yeah.
The age, none, because the guy no much older than, much younger than the guy. Maybe 7-year-old and the guy have 5 years.
8 years old. Young.
Yeah, but that's nothing. Ragashanti.
Yeah.
That's nothing in those couple years older than the guy. But as I was trying to show you,
yeah.
If the mindset is there and the ambition there, it will work.
No, I agree. Hold on. I agree with you, particularly on the point that you made, where a lot of men know that when they're dating women with children, a lot of men know that you better get in good with the kids, you know? So, and I hear you on that. That if him can show the pin in them respect and make the pin and the youth them show him, like him or whatever, that is going to work in his favor. So it's how the man conduct himself, that can make you want to go further with him. So I agree with you right there.
Yeah.
Okay. So hold on. So when you were with this woman who was 16 years older than you, she wasn't concerned about you at first. So you wouldn't able to measure up as a man. She never concerned with you. Concerned.
No, you see, the problem with me and her.
Yeah.
In take me in our house.
Yeah.
I'm sure I respect.
Right.
I'm sure the best ability me is.
Right.
Me make sure no woman no call you.
Okay, was just she
that
alone.
That respect.
She alone, though.
Yeah?
It was just she alone.
She alone?
No, I mean when you did a date, you never did a look for any other woman.
No.
Okay.
And as the lady said, I club meet the guy. Is a club meet this lady.
Is what?
Is a club meet her.
A club.
Is a club meet.
You got club.
Me meet her.
You did got club.
Yes, a club.
You did got club. You.
Why hear this?
You did got club. You did got club. Okay.
Listen.
Yeah.
May I tell you from my experience. Me not tell you what somebody can tell me.
Yeah.
Me tell you from my experience. The first night me coming in the Bronx.
Yeah.
Me got one club. It's not a Jamaican club. It's out of is a Western club, but a peer reggae music on the midnight club the night.
Yeah.
Peer reggae music. And most of the reggae music on a bab. I meet the in the club, the woman them bungle up in the place.
The woman them bungle up in there. Woman like bungle.
Hold on.
Yes.
Them bungle up in the place and then so enough that one man in one man they dance with 3 women.
A liar tell.
Listen to me.
One man dance with 3 women.
One man. The club let me tell you if you know the Bronx. The club there in the between College Avenue and Teller. Yes, and they club in there. And I first night me come in there and we go there. Anyway, the lady when me met the lady and the lady me was walking at Brooklyn. And me and me used to talk on phone at night time when we used to live in Queens.
Yeah.
And then we come and I met the lady within 4 kids.
Yeah.
2 boy, 2 girl.
Yeah.
Yes. And he worked in a family behalf and he worked very excellent. Okay. The lady died now. I'll give me one within house and give me 1 3-bedroom.
Well on, Mr. Never Wrong. Let me ask you a question though, if you don't mind. When the first time you and her did I go do something, you did kind of nervous, so she's 16-year-old and you might only be able to manage, or she may have more experience than you. You didn't nervous? You did have anxiety?
No. Yeah, some of them. Yeah, hold on, let me explain. Yeah, some of them are Yankee women.
Yeah.
Them are Yankee women.
Yeah.
They love the Jamaican man them.
Oh, okay.
The Yankee woman them.
Yeah.
They love the Jamaican. You yourself, you.
Yeah.
Go there.
Yeah.
They cook good food, give them.
Jeez. That me here when I come up.
They cook good
no,
for them.
Me tell them that. Up to last week, I tell them that. So when me come and find me hear that, I'm nearly dropped down because I couldn't believe. So well on there. So you did cook out some good food for you and mash up already down.
You cook out good food, cook out curry chicken. Cook out and pork and fried fish and give to him.
Well on. Pork, what kind of pork you give? Like what? Still peas or what?
Me jerk the pork, me jerky.
Jerky pork, man. Jerk pork, yeah. Why don't you cook for you and bust up her head? We don't know why.
That's not even, but, and again, me show her respect. And then show me back.
No, but to the youth them in here and to them think about them certain things. So, you know, if you give me no details. So the first time when you do so and whatever, you did go on good?
Of course. That's why that's why they love you.
That's what, okay, can you deal with that? You get some good loving the first time, don't
you? First time. And the first time between me and the first time I make love with her.
Yeah.
The next Sunday morning get up and come go down at the man and go buy me 9 short and 9 pants. Never that.
Nine. What now? Tell them again. Tell the whole of America again, because some boy thinks a joke thing in a fire. Tell them again.
Listen,
yes.
The lady.
Yes.
The lady.
Yes. After you sat her out the night.
Morning.
Yeah, after you sat her out the night. And you sat her out so good. What she do the next day?
The Sunday morning.
Yeah.
In get up.
Yeah.
In get up.
Yeah.
And go and take me a Manhattan.
Manhattan.
In our store.
In our store.
And buy me 9. And buy me 9 shot.
9 shot.
And 9 pants.
9 shot.
And when he give it to the guy, hold on. The guy who bring me to the Bronx tonight. The guy who bring me to the Bronx tonight.
Yeah.
You give him one of the shot and one of the pants.
You give him, because him bring you to the Bronx and things him deserve a shot.
Yeah, him bring me to the Bronx.
Bomba. No, Mr. Never Wrong. That means you deal with it wicked at night there, you know.
Yes.
You put it on Panama.
Let me tell you with Yankee man. You say if they love you?
Yeah.
If they love you?
Yeah.
And you treat them with respect?
Yeah.
There is nothing too good for you to them.
Jesus.
Yeah. And all you have to do?
Yeah.
All you have to do?
Yeah.
Do not make no woman call you sweetie.
Okay. That's what you have to do. Make sure. No burning.
Make sure no woman
no burning.
House where you there.
No
when you if you have a phone, you make sure to lock out that phone before you reach at the door. That's all you have to do.
What you mean?
And you have no problem with it.
So Mr. Never Wrong, may I ask you something, but it sounds like someone you did just start talk to her like, you know, you probably did have 1 and 2 other girl where you did talk to, where you did have a kind of...
No, me name girl at the time.
No, you
just come America, you know.
Oh, you just come America?
When this come America.
You just come America and drop and then...
And then come America in the 90s, yes.
And at the
first
you go a club and think you meet a woman and think...
First night me go a club. First night me go a club. The guy... Let me tell you, sometime when you have ambition, no, nothing beat ambition.
Yeah.
Nothing beat ambition, and from with the ambition, and you in the right crowd.
Yeah.
You get anything where you want. We don't touch your channel and say, beg me, give me.
Man, but 9 shirt and 9 pants. No,
The
man, a
woman
different
give
something
me
that.
9 shirts
9 shirt and 9 pants. Yo,
yes,
no, hey, hold on, Mr. Never wrong. You know, say you make some man look like he that right, you know, a foreign. You make some man look...
No,
man, Mr. Never wrong. Me tell you, sir.
Look like he that.
No, Mr. Never wrong. Yeah, man.
He's not.
Mr. Never wrong. Hold on, man. You have some man to put on some work and get a phone call the next day and say, you were so wonderful last night. And a hype and things say that are nothing. Them don't even get a shirt and a pants, much less 9 shirt and Mr. Never wrong, you're the boss, man.
You get a shot yet.
You never get a shot after you walk.
See that? 34 now.
Yeah, I look at Mr. Never wrong. No, sir, Mr. Never wrong. Pan the real doing, I have to talk to you differently and you give me some pointers how to deal with the ladies. You know, right now, you move like a boss.
The lady died. He died now.
Oh, okay, right, yeah. How long you had it there for?
Me and him live for 35 years.
Wow.
35 years. I'm married. Him beg me married to him 2017.
Okay, and she proposed to you?
Beg me.
I beg, she beg.
Him come beg me.
Say she.
Yes.
Say I beg, she beg you. Say I beg, she beg you. Say I beg, she beg you, yeah.
Yes, he beg me.
She beg you, yeah. Say she beg you. Say I beg, she beg you. Yeah.
And
hold on, Mr. Never wrong. Say she beg you. Say she beg you.
Eh?
No, say it. Say she beg you married her. Say that. She beg you.
She begged me to marry to her, yes.
Right. Yeah.
Because me tell him plain. To me I'm mad. Me explain something and tell you. When me talk first, you know. Hold on.
Yeah.
You don't care where you want to laugh for me.
We not laugh.
I don't care if you want to laugh for me.
No, we not laugh. No. Oh, God,
Yeah.
Mr. Never
When
wrong.
hold on. Me okay. When I met her personally club, you hear me tell him say?
Yeah.
Me, now look no passport.
Okay.
That me tell the lady say, me now look no passport.
Yeah, I'm not citizen.
Because me come in with the green and the man straight.
Not citizen Juju, you didn't look. Okay, yeah. Deal with that
Right.
straight.
So me
You're
tell
not
him first.
You're not a beggar, nothing. You're not a beggar, nothing.
Yes.
Okay.
Me now look no passport. That's what I told her.
Okay. You never want no passport and pum yam.
Exactly.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. Anyway, Mr. Never wrong. Respect for that reasoning there, here. And thank you for that input.
Me tell you something. Not American alone.
Yeah.
Ongo we Jamaican woman a cruff. When me say cruff, we ongo give me. And when sickness come, then roll left you gone.
No, what
we Jamaican one come back.
No, Mr. Never wrong. Are you saying that this American woman a better quality woman than the Jamaican woman them? What you?
Of course, then treat it quality. Because when you're sick, they love you when you're sick. Then come in the hospital, come look for you every day. Them are who Yankee woman, the right Yankee woman. Me not talk the little teenagers of them.
Hold on, so you are saying Jamaican woman not do that something there that you say?
No. Me never want. That's why I will never friend with one Jamaican woman in this country.
Jeez, no,
I will never friend with one.
No, Mr. Never wrong. You can't say that. You cannot say that, Mr. Never wrong. You need me. You can't say that about your one a Jamaican woman them. You cannot say that.
Listen,
that is not what?
Every heart know they want sorrow. Remember that. Me done.
Mr. Never wrong. Hold on. You know said the nurse. Mr. Never wrong. Mr. Never wrong. The nurse, what you say, did mash up your head and do you wrong. You know, say you still bitter about the nurse there. And you look for a Jamaican woman as the nurse, where you say go thief at the store and do you wrong and burn you and them something there. But they're all not like the nurse, Mr. Never wrong. You can't paint a Jamaican woman. Well, you just laugh. At the first beer you laugh, you know.
Me not laugh, me tell you the truth.
No.
Me tell you the truth.
Well, no, man, the nurse, the man, you can't look for a Jamaican woman like the nurse, Mr. Never wrong. You can't do that.
Listen to me tell you, me not come friend with none of them here. None me not friend with there.
You know what? No
way that not gonna happen.
You know what? No Jamaican.
None me not friend with there, sir.
No, well, on. You there with no Jamaican woman again?
Yeah?
You wouldn't there with no Jamaican woman?
No way. That not gonna happen.
Are you say American woman them better than Jamaican woman?
Me never listen to me.
Yeah.
Listen to me statement.
Yeah. Well,
listen to me statement. Me never say American woman. But I say the American woman them, the woman them will love them man, I respect them man, then treat you very, very, very good.
No, but
they treat you very, very, very good.
No, but you also make a statement that the Jamaican woman them just beg, and when you sick, them go and left you.
Listen,
you say that?
Me say, Raga, me not come here so confident with no Jamaican woman.
No Jamaican.
No cure me one wife.
No cure you one wife. No Jamaican woman.
No cure me one wife. Me not come here so confident with no Jamaican woman.
Jesus, Mr. Never Rag. Me can't believe you talk about your Jamaican woman them so. Me can't believe it.
Me tell you again. Me tell you again. Me not come here because, number one, me not prejudice. I me not discriminate.
Yeah.
I me not better man nobody. Me not come here so confident with no Jamaican woman here.
Well on. One girl, one lady in Florida, she named on Facebook, she named Tina Too Cute. Me just tell you what she say. She say, anyhow she hold you and sit down in your face, you wouldn't left her and she a Jamaican. What you have to say to her?
No, him would never leave to sit on my face.
What you mean?
He will never leave to sit on my face. Because me not go there so.
She named Tina Too Cute on Facebook. She said, anyhow she hold you and sit down in your face. She said you would have never left her and she a Jamaican woman.
No, me don't left her because me not go for him. Me not go there with him.
Oh, you know, make no woman sit down in your face.
He could have money. He could have gold, he could have the world. Me not go good with him.
Okay, are you American? Are you American woman? She never want them something they don't.
American woman?
Yeah.
They want yes.
They want what?
They want it.
They want what?
They want make good love. They want make good love with them man.
No, me mean about that sit down in her face something there and them something there.
Sit down in her face. If you the America, if you want it and you want them do it, if you want them do it, if you want it happen to you, they do it.
No. What I mean is, your American lady, she never bring them things to you, or what? She never ask if you do them something there. Or she did want to do them something there to you.
Sit in my face.
Sit down on your face and help you out, you know, with a little action or something else, you know? She didn't want to do them something.
My American lady give me when you want action, give me action, yes?
Yeah, but
what
I mean,
my lady, you know.
She didn't mix up the action. She didn't do some little extra something.
In what suit him for the action.
Okay, and what suit her? You allow her if you do what suit her, right?
Exactly.
Okay,
exactly.
But it means that you do back anything what she did do to you, don't it?
Well, whatever you tell me to do, you want me to do, you want me to do with him, me do it to him, yes?
Okay, so whatever she tell you to do and say she really wants you to do, you do it. Because you didn't love her, right?
Me not love her, me care for her.
You care for her. So when she says she asks you for
care,
care
and love.
So when she do certain things for you, or whatever, and because she's a good woman, they feel when you're sick and whatever, when she asks you to do certain things and help out and things, you care for her, so you would just do look something for her too, don't it?
Exactly.
Okay, nothing wrong with that. It was your woman and your wife and things.
That's what I'm trying to show you.
Yes, so you help out her. You do what you need to do when you have good woman. Me not wrong here, exactly. I'm never wrong. You just never make you just never make she sit down in your face, but you help her out and she help you out between the two and the phone business.
Exactly.
Phone, okay.
But if me want to sit on my face, me tell you to do it.
But you never want that.
No, me never want that.
Okay.
That. No. If in determined way I want to do it, me love him to do it. Me love him make him do it, that's all.
Oh, because, so you say, hold on. You say if she determined and just stubborn with it and thing because she's a good woman or you care about, you don't allow her to sit down in your face, don't you?
Exactly.
Okay.
Exactly.
Okay.
Because remember, you know, are you the wash him and him the wash you? Are you the clean him?
Yeah, not the fish him.
Wash him and him the wash you. And if he's sick, pan bed,
right.
you have to take him, put him pan put in my bathroom, get shower him do the same thing. There is no difference there. So.
No, because you see, some people don't even understand what you basically are saying. She never sit down in your face, but you use your face, right? And people need to understand that. Exactly, right? Exactly. Okay.
Exactly. The woman love you, Ragashanti.
Yeah.
He never do everything to make you happy in a film eyes.
Yeah.
And the right to the woman.
Yeah.
Care for you. He know what's your pocket.
See
and the right to the woman not care for and the right to woman not care for you. He not go in your pocket to say, hey, Ragashanti, me want $2. No.
It's not Jamaica. Well on. Jamaica. So it sounds like you said Jamaican woman then run down money and them always pay attention to your pocket and thing. That you say?
Of course. That's what they do. Even back home too. That's what they do.
I be a money then run down.
You know that.
I be a money then run down.
Be a money then run down.
Be a money then run down. Lord Jesus.
Me one friend. Me one friend. When the third one Yankee woman, Jamaican woman.
Yeah.
And the Jamaican, when he met him, a pure barrel one goes in Jamaica.
Lord Jesus, them barrel woman they see, man. Them barrel woman they.
And hold on.
Yeah.
Make you something know of.
Yeah.
He met one Yankee woman. Hold on. He met a Yankee woman.
Yes.
And when he met the Yankee woman, he was living in one room. And he did it. And the Yankee woman go see him in a no TV in a house and in a no radio. And the Yankee woman buy one TV game and buy radio game when he met him.
Jesus.
And when he Yankee in good day, he go find a Yankee Jamaican woman.
Yeah.
And he can't get the woman yard. And he tell me, you must turn workers. And you know what Jamaican woman do him? After and because Yankee woman tell him praying.
Yeah.
He live with somebody. He might not live with somebody.
Yeah.
Because the Yankee woman, when they take him up, can't drop him up, come on in time.
All right.
To go catch the bus.
What? All right, Mr. Neverland, before you go, hold on. Before you go, me just want you give some final words to the Jamaican man them and tell them, the Jamaican man them are foreign, and tell them what kind of woman you recommend them there with, right? You call from the Bronx, just talk to the Jamaican man them and give them your wisdom. Tell them what kind of woman they must look for. What the best woman them for look for. Talk to them now.
You look at a woman progressive in life.
Yes.
Have an ambition.
Yes.
You look at a woman progressive build strength with you.
Yeah.
Build strength with you.
Yeah.
Lift you.
Yeah.
That type of woman. You don't look at a woman hungry for your pocket.
Yeah.
No, you don't want type of one like that.
See.
You want a woman who can build with you.
Yeah.
Strengthen your power, strengthen you. Make you move up the ladder.
Step up in her life. Yeah.
And the next thing again too, you need a woman who can go around fireside. You need one of that to go around fires once in a while.
Shafi can cook.
Go to a restaurant.
Shafi can cook.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, and if he hold on, and if he can't cook, you the man show him to cook your food, yo. That want me do my lady. Let me leave it there. Yeah. Me show him to cook my food and in cookie.
No, but hold on. We know one girl, she named Karen Harris, right? She can't cook, and she says she don't want to cook for no man, and she don't want no man teach her to cook, and whatever. What you think about she, you know?
Well, you see, him not no ambition.
Karen Harris not no ambition.
No, he not no ambition, and no man not go turn with him.
No man not go turn with him. No man not go turn with Karen Harris. No,
man
can't cook and don't want to learn for cook. Can't cook and don't want to learn for cook. No man not go turn with Karen.
Exactly. Listen, when can't cook, yes or no.
Yeah.
And him open him out and say that?
Yes.
No man not go turn with him.
No man not go turn.
Because the hungry man don't see him now. Go give him 20 dick and leave him and gone. That's all.
That's all. Give her some dick and cut her lip. Well, I know, Mr. Never wrong.
Give him dick and cut her lip.
No, all right. No, Mr. Never, careful with the dick. Here, remember, say radio with it. But what me I say now? All right, yeah. The last thing now me want you say, what they must look for, you know, and use code, don't use no graphic term, you know, in terms of sex and sort out. What the man they must look for in a woman now?
A woman?
Yeah, what the man they must look for when it comes to sort out and the dugu and the hookings.
Yeah, listen, the dugu did it.
Yeah.
No matter what it is, the dugu as you say.
So what the man them look for? What the man them look for?
The man them look or them perform in bed.
Okay.
That's all.
And what the man them for able for do for the woman them now? In that area there.
The man do the same thing too.
He must be able to do everything for the woman, right?
Yes.
All
if
right.
he want it.
If he want, okay.
If he want it.
All right, Mr. Never Wrong.
Hold on.
Yeah.
Some woman, the more you give him good sex, the more he love you.
The more I love you. Okay.
Yes. Some men,
right.
some woman, the more you give them, especially them are ageable woman now.
Yeah.
The more you give them good sex, the more they love you.
Wow, you know the things, you know, Mr. Never Wrong. You're a genius, you know.
Them are old woman now.
Them are old woman,
The more you give them sex, the more you give them, the more they love you.
Well, when they say old woman, what age you attack when they say old woman? When you say old,
listen.
What age?
For a woman touch, you have some woman that is 60s.
60s?
You have some woman that is 60, 61, 62. They're ripe out there.
They're ripe?
Yes, they're ripe. And when you go to them, them vagina tight.
When
you go to them, them vagina very tight.
Okay, all right, Mr. No, say no more, Mr. Never Wrong. No, sir. All right, Mr. Never Wrong. I forgot to take a break now. Here. All right. Prezi. Where Prezi gone? Prezi. Yeah, man. We have got to take some other. Prezi, yeah. We have got to take some other call. Here, Mr. Never Wrong next week. Here. All right. Yeah, cool. Jeez. Prezi, you miss it. How you run? Go bathroom now. You mad, man. Yo, when him say it, me look over, I don't see him nearly dead. So I ask Mr. Never Wrong, say whatever. So Never Wrong say, right, Mr. Like, if I say them old man nowadays, they give them some good work, man. And them now left you. Mr. Like, what age? Mr. Never Wrong say, like in them 60s, you know, that's where you get them vagina tight. Yo, Cross, Mr. Never Wrong a sampling.
That man there, I know is a real countryman.
Wait, so you know, but you proud, you always say you're proud to be a countryman.
That's why I can relate to him.
Okay, so you see yourself, you and him in the same book. Okay, me see what you say.
No,
that you say. You know, so you and him in the same category.
No, man, I said, me rate him. Me can't.
Yo, you never hear that draw out there?
Yeah, man.
You hear that draw out there? Yo, that draw out there. I work a while ago, you know, hear the draw out. Brown boss, you never hear the draw out. Yeah. You swear the boss come on. Come on. You may see the boss. Yo, man, Prezi, you never hear that draw out there? That draw out there, oh, man, I tell you, say, he general knows. Yeah. Say, yeah, you don't know. Yeah. Do our thing, you know, I do our... I mean, like when praise it to us. I do what she want, come care about her. Yo, did I see that I feel? Right. Yeah. Yo, no. Oh, my God. No, man.
I think if you stop calling man him.
Yeah, what? Yeah.
Stop calling man him.
Yeah. You know, what's your cross? Come look here, sir. Look here, sir. What you see? What you see? What you see? Give me a call, the president, because they said the whole of the line them full. Hello.
Hello?
Yeah, greetings.
Blessed Raga, blessed.
Yeah.
First time program, you know?
Cooler, man.
Long time, you know, the eye from Port, more from when I Port in this road, I keep that show there.
See it there.
I bought them at Kenny, yes, I Port more. You know, fire blocks, this at, yeah.
Yeah, cooler, man.
You know.
See.
You want to lay the call for your program, you know?
Yeah.
The age group.
Yeah.
Such man this.
Yeah.
See the age group what she call about?
Yeah.
Such man this I thought.
What you say, what?
When a big. I such man this, the man this I talk here, the age group or the lady call about?
Yeah. Talk up now, Papa.
They say,
yeah.
The lady will call for the program about the age group?
Yes. Say what you say now.
I just thought, I drive and listen to her on the program. Let me tell you something, you see, rather.
Hold on. Are you saying it's you she did that talk about?
Thank you. I demand this.
I lie you tell. Bomb, hey! You make me cuss a bad word. You know something never pick up what you say.
You cuss a bad word. Raga, a blacks this is zero taxi for half a cheek. People come and state you all. But there is a keepy.
I lie. Well, on there. Blacks are you shut up, bro?
Listen to your boy, but I'm going to go over further, but listen to what God, Raga, for a big man thing.
Yeah.
We come from country, born and grow up, bounty along at Chilani. We have a little business.
See?
You see, when me dad the rest of the day I work, mama look for me. But every time me feel her eyes for me. So me say, watch her. You know, so that call like, me a boy, me have faith. He call like me just hold it out and knows that God has sent a person for me. See, by the time me turn around, she just a steering at me here. So me say, no, sir, this is a person God has sent for me.
See it
there. The woman this, you know.
See it there.
Anyway, me just pull up on her. Because you know we are yard, we just pull up on her.
Yeah.
Hi, how you doing? How your days
we have that thing there,
like
yeah.
That. All right, me and she all her vibes. I introduce her number to me.
Yeah.
She asked me, say, tell her, say, boy, I'm not too to know America. Because you don't know a man come a foreign, who just come boom bang and just go back a year ago, enjoy himself. You see what I do with?
You see it.
So, me and she all her one vibes and she a look for me certain way. So me I say, Mama, not sure you see me I talk to you, so I don't want to feel like a little local because if you're at Jamaica right now, I sell 500 times, I can buy you and left back change. See it, so I said to her, Raga.
See it
she
there.
said, why you say that? Me say, me gear, me just open my lifestyle and show you.
Yeah.
So me have a funeral home at Jamaica, Mama. Me have hearse, me have chariot, me have everything, Raga.
See.
You know, coronavirus, I produce for a free yard. I'm send everything go show her and say, don't look at me as a little boy we see in a restaurant just a wash two pot.
Yeah.
So you say me as a look local.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
Money no grow up on face. I mean, I show with things like that. So we just put my things on the table. Anyway, she bypass that and me and she all her vibes. You see me I deal with?
Yeah.
Me I tell her straight.
Yeah.
Me and she go and talk. She debate on the age group. Me say, listen to me now, Mama. You see me don't deal with young girl. Because you see when I deal with young girl and you and them, you give them my money first in the month, say, yo, then go on a party, then I buy clothes. Me not deal with young girl. A big woman me deal with. Me like woman over my age group.
See it.
Age is just a number to me.
See it.
Because you see, to where me I come from, Raga.
Yeah.
To where me I come from, young girl, and stand on chance in my age group. Me not going to say me at 38 and me look a woman who are 27, 26. No. Me look a woman who are 45, 40, up in the age. You pretty much so me I say.
Yeah.
So when she said the young fear, I fear age group mean right now, but true she has she respect her son.
Yeah.
We can't blame her upon that still, Raga. You understand?
Nah, but the way the IRE is right, you know, if the son you meet you and whatever, I'm going to rate you like that, you understand? I say, no.
Raga, in the street, Raga, we is a boy, we believe in our God, that we have faith in our God.
No, but not only that, some of the things them what you mentioned, what she mentioned, you have a business, you're industrious, you're ambitious and thing, you're an idle man, you're an hang out pan corner man and them something there. When that young man see them things about you and whatever, you're going to be a shining example to him about what it means to be ambitious, to be industrious, to not be idle. And I'm going to assume you'll also treat the woman in such a way that you would be a shining example in terms of how a gentleman, treat a woman responsibly and take care of her and all these things and whatever and represent, as a exemplary, instance of what it means to be a solid man. That's what I hear from you.
Which is right, Raga. All right, watch out. I'm reach a stage where I said to her, say, my mother will a reason, Raga.
Yeah.
My mother said, my son, me not involved, me not busy with your funeral home, because me not have no shares tonight, and you do your thing by your own. You show your partner, run me taxi, Raga, people come on your stage, show them all boat. You understand me?
Yeah.
Give me money through a partner. You saw me, David?
Yeah.
Come a little foreign, do me bang, 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 and get a little thing, wash two little pot and go back home and put it to use, Raga. You catch what me I say?
And well, I could be clear too. When I talk about wash pot, I'm family business, and about don't get it twisted. She told us that. Go on. Yeah.
All right, watch this now.
Well on. And that says a lot about you, the family business, and you don't have any problem washing the pot. Me have relative who own restaurant and thing, and them around for clean the floor and wash the pot. You understand? Go on.
All right, watch now. My mother said to me, say, my son, Mr. Mummy, say, my youth and my daughter, my son, they don't really like the funeral thing. And
you don't really like it either. So I say, Mummy, everybody have a dreams and a plan in life. So me come on earth is a reason. So this is my dream. Me get a gift from God for deal with the dead, for just dead people.
Right.
We are just dead for how much years? We are over 10 years, we are just dead people.
Right.
Every funeral, Roberts, Linstead, every funeral home. We not call them, every funeral home.
Right.
But today, me da foreign here, Raga. I mean, up on my phone and somebody call me. I mean, I tell you, me send me workers go pick up one dead KPH and two them get. Because people over there look for me about 2 minutes about. You know, sometimes people want to see your face personal. But what you going on, Raga?
Well, you send me pick up one. You send me pick up one dead and get two dead, no?
Two dead because the people them see the driver have on my T-shirt and say, "Are we blacks there?"
Our blacks there. Are you? Well, our next dead.
Yes.
Cause from a black slink. She a next dead body. Well, our next dead. Cause a black slink that. So the thing seal up.
Say, yo, a blacks very family already and blacks are free boy. So watch out. General, sorry about that, you know, we work with a funeral home. I want to, you know.
Yeah, blacks them I work with. Yeah.
Call me and then get me from me.
Well on, blacks. But now why you feel now we are thick and I know say I have a lot for share, but I'm going to ask us a pointed question. And I don't want she vest because just as I ask you some pointed question, I'm going to ask you some pointed question. No, hold on. No. My question to you is this, and she can't vex. I just keep it real. If she doesn't get past this age thing, right? You based on, if we go by everything that you have said thus far, you're serious about this thing. This woman, it was just an immediate spark. You enjoy her and you want the best for her, and you know, and you explain yourself. You know, the younger woman thing, you like all a mature woman. If she doesn't get beyond this age thing, because if you hear me, I'll tell her, I say, no, I don't want you to joke with him about a young boy and I say them something there. You know, for do them something there with man who you date or whatever. Worse if the man younger. If she don't get past this age thing, the age difference, the 8 years age difference, you going still push it?
I'm sure it's all right. Me I go answer your question right now. Me know she a listen to. I want to make her tell us my Raga number, please and thanks. I know she a listen, but me play something. Me Raga 2 questions. 2 questions. You see when me know you Raga?
Yeah.
I drive a B13. No, me pass B13 stage and reach a Mark X. All right. Next question, remember, answer you the neatest way now.
Yeah.
We don't do things for the likes. We don't do things for the looks. Love. Do it for the love.
Right.
You pretty much when me answer you say now. We don't do things for the looks. We don't do things for the likes. And do it for the love, Raga.
No, so okay then. If you fall in love with her and she still can't get beyond the age thing, but you're in love with her, what you going? How you gonna deal with that?
No, me I try to show yourself. Things come your way. Things don't come so easy. You have to fight for you, Raga. And in this time, the fittest and fittest shall survive. And let me show you something. You see where she talk about house and this and that. You know, say, me have house stuff.
Yeah.
But me not try to prove it that way because everything that yeah. So we don't really go to settings there.
Yeah.
But I want to me I tell her, me now start to me lotion and battery and church and look at what them for you.
Hey. No, sir. Watch it never. My boss threw out of the clip. Click it, clack out. Boom. 3 piece left in the quarter dozen.
My crazy. Take time fire them, no.
We had to hold this. We had to hold that come on the phone a while ago. Eh?
I miss you, boy.
We had to hold that. Yo, crime scene security. What you say? You not stop till you lotion her. You say you not stop till you lotion her 2 batty jar them and stretch her to them. Now that you say, listen to me, no man. This show them on fire tonight. Eh?
All right. Listen to me now, Roger. Age is just a number.
Age is just a number.
Yeah. My age, you know, the almanac that come off of almanac. Yeah. I wish you want to talk about. I wish you want to go all up road. I wish you look infirmary. A young street, same way.
Yeah, the bump. Come off of all up road and go up on Young Street. Yeah, come off a whole up road and go up on Young Street. You know, she don't forget we not the whole right, you know. She have the good on Young Street. What happened to her?
Me and the woman got Raga. And me I tell you, when the woman have to turn on and say, our fee, so me I say, you know, sister, strap me strap, I secret the button around and strap you up.
Hold on. We ask, she make a look, you know, that knee check that what woman make. She feel the strength, don't? She feel the strength, don't?
I said the woman Raga, and call like the woman feel M16 for no the knee cup, and I said, mama, strap.
Gunshot! Hey! Yo, listen to me, man. Me can't see I give them lyrics. Me can't see I give them lyrics and I be laughing shit upon.
Alright. Let me show you something serious now. That's the reason with you. Because so when she attack, yo, me say me pull over, you know.
Yeah.
Pull over the car and listen. I mean I tell you why that time you want to full up me in a Raga. Me I tell you straight. You see, to me know say you have a thing where you name testimony, you have to go through testimony.
Yeah.
Me just hold it. But me show it, you see Raga.
Yeah.
Me know she have her things, you know. But me now look pan she for her things.
See.
I don't tell her, say, you see me not frightened for firing because I have a business reason. I can go and come, good for that.
Man.
Me not have to live here, so.
No.
But just because my mother say, yo, if you see you say you want to live here, so I can give you a restaurant for yourself. I say, mommy, I don't really love the foreign thing. Because you see the cool Raga after a time, mash up your body. But some people love it. You understand?
No, but it sounds to me like if you love that woman and you make life with her, you'd have Tanya with her too.
Oh, you mean Raga? I'm telling Raga.
Sure.
Raga, I'm show you something. Not easy, Raga. You have to fight for what you want. And you see the honest with the Raga. You see her son.
Yeah.
Never meet her son yet. You understand me?
Okay.
But I tell you, she talk about her son. She love her son. You see, if me, my age when they my almanac Raga, but I step down and know say respect her. So she can show that example, they respect her son.
Mm-hmm.
But check the age group, she the Raga, and check the age group with me the Raga. Age is just a number, Raga. We know the far, Raga. How will she want to?
No, I not think you know the far. I not think you know. Particularly in the modern times, yeah. Particularly in modern times, there is less. Hold on. There is less stigma and less so-called punishment or reprimand that she will experience from society. Because right now in the modern, you still have some people traditional and old school with certain things. But a lot of people out there, women date younger men now and they're having happy lives with it. Listen, I don't want you vexing them with a love for continue that conversation. But them I make me know, say, I lead up to it 12 o'clock, you know. Eh?
Now vex, but me I try to make you know upon a big man thing.
Yeah.
We want to understand, say. See if you just understand, say, yo, what you know. So my time you choose some big man, you know, work out.
For real? No, some of them big men, them are the biggest high school look immature picnic and thing. Yeah.
And this is them.
Yeah.
I try to make you know, say, nothing because you have your things, me have my things too. You have your food, me have my cabbage too. You understand me? Me just love you for who you
But blacks, no vex, you know. But when me I say this. Me I say the two of for me I tell her the two of for just go and enjoy each other and build us something. Where it may leads, we don't know. But what I can say right now, where it is right now, it is good enough for the two of just keep moving on with it and enjoy. Me I be honest with you, I don't know where it's going to lead. But what me I hear right now, in terms of when she talk and you talk and what the resultant chemistry is between both of you, how progressive both of you are, how into each other both of you are, and thing. I know very focused you are on her where you say, yo, you're determined. Blacks, women know about you. You can't get woman. You can't get woman. I'm going to tell her that. Hold on, you can't get woman. And you have woman all about. You can't get woman all about. But for you, if you focus on this woman or something, it sounds like something serious. So I'm going to implore her, just work with it and see where it lead and thing. All right? But I have to let go. Here.
All right. You see before you left, Raga, one thing I said to you before you left.
Quick, no man.
I mean, respect what you tell her, say, watch your mama.
Yeah.
Don't watch your age.
Don't watch your age. Just got you. All right, blacks. And big up yourself. You are your lady. Here. Protection.
Come up to you.
Yeah, man.
Easy. Up top.
Yeah, man. What a wonderful experience in our night at present. No, sir, that show you turn over. People, of course, we're going to put up the show tomorrow on Ragashanti TV, on YouTube. That show you're going to put up, it's going to be a joy to edit it tonight for put it up on Ragashanti TV tomorrow. You can listen it and make on a friend them listen it and thing and whatever. And do remember, so when you go over there, my thing, and my YouTube channel, someone want to subscribe, just click the subscribe button, want to go over there. Please click the subscribe button, want to go over to Ragashanti TV on YouTube, and you can listen and enjoy all of the entertainment over there. Hundreds of hours of video entertainment over the phone to enjoy. And do remember, say tomorrow night, on the same Ragashanti TV on YouTube, is a thing called Free Up, the realest Jamaican talk show. Free Up, the realest Jamaican talk show. And thing 8 o'clock tomorrow night. So make sure you lock in on that tomorrow night and come enjoy that live. Because we're going to turn over the thing tomorrow. Blacks, big up yourself. Goody, big up yourself and thing. Mr. Never Wrong. Large up in the woman. Them are going done here. Do remember that I'm on the Bridge 99 FM Mondays, Wednesdays, and Friday nights in Jamaica from 9 until 11, 9 until 11, 9 until 11. And of course on IrieJam Radio live on a Friday night from 9 until 12. From 9 until 12. So I yes, I would make sure so lock in and spread the word and thing. And again, go over to Ragashanti TV right now. Everybody will listen. Right now, go over to Ragashanti TV on YouTube and click the subscribe button. Click the subscribe button. Bless upon yourself, all TamFamers. Big respect and thing. We had a wonderful night today. I love it, sure. It's bad like yours. Take care of yourself. Tomorrow night, Free Up on Ragashanti TV over YouTube. 8 o'clock tomorrow night. On a rolling mad something. Why-yoy?